2, 3, 4. And we are live! Welcome for more Outbreak Shenanigans with me, Vlogipadi, and there's Sakura. Say hello. Sakura. Sakura! Wake up! Wake up, Sakura!
Whoa!
And there's McKnight! Say hello, McKnight. Say hello.
Hi!
Help me, please! So, there's Julian in the chat. I don't know. I think he's still there. Probably still there. There's McKnight. Hello, McKnight in the chat. And then there's True Nightfall. I demand hot Outbreak action. I have removed my pants already. Alright. So I miss True. This session is gonna be for you, True. So
No, screw. No. The hell with True. The hell with True.
True is in his onesie, watching us in his bed.
Screw True, man.
True doesn't want to join. True thinks he's too good for us. Hey, Blood Mary. Good.
True is too lit for us.
We are not all Americans, actually. I am from Europe, and Sakura is from the US, and McKnight is from Spain as well. Is he? Are you?
Night.
Knight is dead. Rip.
Night.
Knight, are you Rip? The hell with True. I'm gonna create a room real quick. Oh, this one went busy for a sudden. All of a sudden. What? Alright, I'm gonna go in room 2, okay? Getting information.
Oh, look, busy.
Yeah, it went busy. I'm gonna create a room real quick, and you will know which one is mine, because from what I will call it.
I don't know. I don't know.
Is my knight still here?
I don't know.
Alright, so
Oh, holy crap! How can you do that? That's fine.
slow.
Tra-la-la. Oh. Okay.
You see it now?
Yeah. Outbreak when the dreams come true.
Oh, we're gonna go with easy. We're gonna start you off with easy, okay?
Okay, I'm a noob.
Finish.
Okay,
Fine.
how do we go?
Hey, you're back. McKnight is back. Hello. Say hello to everyone, McKnight.
Okay, which one? Area 1?
You see the chat room? The room I created?
Yeah, but I went in.
Now
Yes.
it should ask you for a password, and that's gonna be ABC1. The password is ABC1.
Okay,
If anybody's watching, there's a free slot if anyone wants to join as well. It's me, McKnight, and Sakura. And I'm gonna look at chat real quick. So Blood Mary is Brazilian, not American.
Okay,
There's
the room
Angelo
is-
in chat
okay.
as well. Hello,
What's
Angelo.
the password? What's the
ABC1. ABC1. So the room is called Tralala. And I say it in French.
ABC.
Tralala.
Oh, you got your
Tralala. And there's Chase in the chat. There's Doug, the US of A. How is everyone doing tonight? Hey, V4! Hi, sweet babies. V4's here. I'm about to
Okay,
cash
I'm
out,
in.
but I wanted to catch some of this. Come on. All right, there's 2 players in. Who's in already? Is it McKnight?
No.
Is it you, Sakura? Are you in?
No, what do you think?
Someone's in. Who's in?
I am.
All right, McKnight, are you up? Are you awake? McKnight.
Mark Knight too.
Don't sleep. And there's Julian.
Oh, I can see Hank.
You,
Oh,
cannot,
you keep it.
you cannot find Hunk.
see Hunk.
Remember that this is Outbreak File 2. Sorry, File 1. Not File 2. File 1. So maybe there's no Hunk in this one? I don't know.
But
Maybe.
But I am a noob and I got in.
CC, Sakura beat you already. She's a noob and she's already in the room. That's fine, choose something else. Don't worry about the thumbnail. Hey, Lloyd Crosby, welcome.
Can they hear me? No, right?
Yes, they can hear you, of course. I
Dang
think they can hear you. Can you guys hear Sakura?
Say no.
If you can't hear, I'm gonna put her volume up so they can hear you better. True, the best artist on YouTube. Oh man. Okay, come on. One more player. There's a hunk.
Man.
It's Vloggy. Okay, someone's in. McKnight, is that you?
Yes.
That's good. All right, we're about to start then. We're about to start in 3.
I see 2 people.
Oh, I hear Sakura. Sounds like a serial killer.
Oh, where?
All right, start game. Here we go. Game to
Oh,
begin
no,
shortly.
come on,
Now, I have a tendency of being quiet during the cutscene, so everybody gets to absorb what's going on. So there's... Oh, you chose Alyssa.
Lol.
Nobody listened.
Oh,
Nobody followed the thumbnail pattern.
I thought Alisa was the
No, that
bunny.
the other one is Cindy. It's Cindy who we're speaking.
Oh,
Ah, that's fine.
Cindy.
You play with us? Oh, I took you seriously for a second. Then I noticed the. All right, shh, cutscene.
There was a disruption earlier at today's football match between the Raccoon Sharks and the Old Port Thunders. Apparently, the game was interrupted when an unruly fan got out of control and sparked a riot. The number of injured is not yet known.
Somebody just subscribed. It's Lloyd. Thank you for subscribing. But now I shut up.
Look at the fat guy.
Aren't you eating anything? Hey, Bob, where's your mind?
Look,
at?
it's true.
What?
อีเก่งกว่าโอ๊ย
Huh?
Huh?
What a weird
I'm
customer.
gonna miss Drew with the help me please. Help me please! There he is, Drew. his buddy Bob fell off.
He's unconscious. Are you all right?
Look.
It's the only time we got to see Drew's character. As a cameo. You're playing as Mr. Gold, McKnight? Wow. All right. I think you start off in danger. I think you start off in danger. I think that's the thing. I think Dada's here as well. Hey, Dada, welcome.
Bruh.
Okay, so there's a gun on the table if anybody wants to pick it up.
Oh, wait. I don't know how to move this crap. How the Come on! Is that me?
Okay, so. Oh, I'm gonna put my gun.
Oh, look! Thanks. Is that... Look, is that true?
Yes. Oh, look at you! Look at, pick this gun. There's a gun over here. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. There's a gun.
Forgot.
You press 0 to pick up stuff, I think. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Wait, I don't know how to... Oh, there you go.
I'm gonna, oh, there's the key. There's the key. There's the key. There's the key.
Where you at? Where you at?
I just got the key from behind the bar. Now, ideally you follow me, so I'm gonna start unlocking doors.
I have no idea where you are.
I just unlocked the door. This way. Can you see me? Oh, there you are. Yes. Through that door. Through that door. Let's go.
Okay.
McKnight, you with us, man? McKnight is sleeping.
I forgot what buttons what
Yes.
buttons because I can't read.
Alright. Yeah, they are the Japanese controls, so... Oh, they're already coming in. They're already coming in. But at least... brains. Hey, Trimaine.
I want so.
You are never a mod here, Trimaine. You must be mistaken. I haven't modded someone like AR, I think, in this stream. And there's no need, really. The chat is quite cool. Everybody's chill. So...
Okay, so McKnight plays as true character.
McKnight is playing as a true character. Yeah, that's true. Because where's McKnight? Let's wait for McKnight because he's still out there. I think.
How do I?
Please help!
Okay, how do I?
Help! Help
wait.
me! Please help!
Help!
Go now.
Okay, I
Thanks.
don't know how to.
Thanks. Alyssa. Alyssa. Mark.
What? Mark.
Mark.
Where's McKnight? McKnight, where are you, man?
I don't know.
McKnight. Okay, we have to go because
In the bar.
Come, go up the stairs. Come on, because you're gonna die down there. Watch out! Help me, please! Help me! No! All right, let's go! Oh my goodness, I stood too close to the window. I stood too close to the window. I wanted to pick up the herb. That was scary.
Okay, I don't know. How do you load the gun?
Equip the gun. Go into the setting. Oh, the menu. By
That's
pressing
me.
start. Press start.
Okay.
And equip the gun. The classic Resident Evil. It's the first time I see Sakura playing a Resident Evil, a classic Resident Evil title.
Oh, holy crap!
Where are you, McKnight? I have to nail the boards.
Oh,
Oh, zombies are coming in. McKnight. Oh, he's coming. I see him. Come in. I have to nail board. Shut the door thing. Hurry up.
come on, Drew.
McKnight! You're killing me, man.
Come on, man.
I saw him passing by. Oh no, zombies are coming. I'm gonna have to nail the door shut. McKnight.
Magneto.
As soon as a zombie walks in, I'm gonna have to close the door. I have to nail it shut. They're following him. They're going towards his direction.
Oh no.
Magneto.
I can't see you.
What?
I don't see him. Wait.
I saw him passing by. Oh, there you are. There we go.
Oh look,
There we
that's
go.
true.
He came through. Yeah. All right. All right.
Fine.
You saw us, yeah? You did see us when you came in.
Pew. Bzz, bzz.
All right. Whew. Okay.
See?
All right. There.
That's true.
That's yeah. That should be the character True plays as. Yes, that should be the character True plays as. All right.
Oh, that
So
way? Okay.
now we have to open this door. There's a key here somewhere, but I find that this is the quickest way to open this door. Come on. Attack normally, like you would shoot, but don't equip the gun without. So unequip the gun. Oh, they're in. Their zombies are in.
Ow! Run! Run for
We need to open this door. Oh, he made it. Let's go. Good job, McKnight. Let's go.
Get away from me!
Okay.
Come on, Loki!
All right, we're good.
Help me, please!
Help me, please help me.
Oh,
Oh man, but it's true. He's playing as the true character, his avatar.
that's True's character.
Yes.
Liquor. Oh, see, we came into your room, the liquor room.
Liquor room. Yes, guys, you can go ahead and save yourselves. I'm gonna hang out in this room. Wine room. Bro.
I'm following you, so I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
All right, now what's in here? Oh, there's the forklift key.
Okay, look.
Is there ammo here? I'm looking for some ammo. Somebody picked up ammo. What? Oh, was it ammo? No, somebody picked up. What was that? Magnum
was-
revolver rounds. All right, he's
Okay.
holding the door. All right, let's go.
Just do it!
Come
Help
on.
me, please!
Let's go. Out.
Oh,
Help me, please! please help me! Alright, we need to do this. Come on, we need to do this. We didn't find enough ammo though, huh? Okay, run and dodge the zombies. Bob and weave.
come on, run!
I'm gonna switch on the forklift real quick so we can just get this going.
Oh man, the camera switch is so confusing.
It's the classic Resident Evil, man. It's the classic Resident Evil. Come on, switch on the forklift. Okay, up. Going up. Go up the ladder.
I am.
Ooh, you touch my tralala.
Stop touching me! Stop touching me!
Alright, McKnight. Alright, right behind us. Let's go.
Oh my god! Really? Really?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
This is so wrong.
You touch my tralala.
So wrong.
Alright, the next part is we're gonna be on the roof and we need to kick down a little gate as fast as we can. Yes, so we need to be fast. Oh, I think there's gonna be a little storage area as well, where we can gather some herbage and stuff. Up, 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 up. There's a first aid spray here if anybody wants it. I'm not gonna take it.
Where? Oh,
As soon as you go up the stairs.
Okay.
Go up.
If anybody wants it, you can have it. What's on this table here? What's this? Storage room key. Yes, I'll take that. Thank you very much.
I forgot how you pick it up. How you pick it? How do
0. You press 0 because it's the Japanese settings. What are you watching, Doug? This is Resident Evil Outbreak. The servers were killed off. This is a PS2 game. The servers were killed off about a decade ago, I think, and the fans brought it back, kind of. So we're playing it. Watch out for the crows, guys. Watch out for the crows. Watch out for the crows. I was able to kick a crow once. I was able to kick a crow. Okay. Quickly. Oh, the zombie's fast. Help me, please. Alright, I think we got him. I need to unlock this door.
Are you stupid? Oh,
There we go, I unlocked it. Let's go.
yeah, come on.
I'm at 15%. What's your... No wonder Max hanging back. He's a fire. Yeah, Mac is playing it smart. Alright, so how am I doing? Oh, I'm on red caution.
Oh, don't touch me.
Alright, let's see if there's any... If there's anything for me here. Ooh,
Oh, wait.
I
Is there
think...
anything here for me?
Can I reload my gun? This is my big mistake. Always combine. No, I can never reload this gun. I don't know why.
Wait, can I?
Combine. It doesn't work. I don't know why.
Okay, how you on equip?
On equip, you just select the item, menu, equip.
Oh, okay. I'm learning.
Does anybody have some healing?
No,
Mac
I'm
Knight,
good.
can I borrow? Well, not really borrow. I want. Can I get a healing, please? Oh, there you go. Thank you very much.
Okay.
I need
How
to
you
heal.
climb up?
Press action.
Did you
which
find
is-
anything new?
I healed. Thank you very much. You press 0. You walk up to the stuff and you press 0. There you go. There you go. The 0 is the action button because this is the Japanese controls because we're playing the Japanese version,
okay.
you see? Yeah. And the same thing to go down.
Oh, okay.
Alright, are you ready to go out again? We need to kick the
Look.
gate that's opposite this door.
Okay. I love look at True is in action. Look at True. Look at True. Stick figure.
Stick figure. That should have been True's character all along, yeah. But anyway, now we all love him for the fat guy that he chooses to be. Alright, we have to kick the gate down, the one that's opposite the door right away.
Okay.
Let's go. There's gonna be crows, there's gonna be a zombie lurking around, so... And to
Okay.
run, you hold X, just so you know, Sakura. To run, you hold
Oh,
X.
okay. Oh my
Gonna
god.
kick the gate.
Come on.
Can somebody kick the... kill the zombie or something? Alright, go!
I am, man.
No, Mac Knight.
Left or right,
Quickly, Mac Knight, quickly, Mac Knight. Watch out for the crows. In front of Jay's bar. Mac Knight. Oh, man.
Attention everyone.
Run for it.
This area will be closed off.
We have to be
soon.
fast. We have like a couple of minutes. We need to make it to the street.
Proceed to this checkpoint immediately. If you do not leave the area in time, we cannot guarantee your safety.
Yeah, Sapphire. Mac is on mic with us right now, but he's very quiet. Make some noise, Mac. He's very quiet. There he is. There he is. Okay, we have 3 minutes. I'm gonna jump first. I hope I don't fail this. Uh-oh. Don't jump now. Uh-oh. Okay.
Come on, jump.
Okay. Jump. You jump. Somebody jump.
I can't jump.
Oh no, the crow's attacking me! Wrong timing. You okay? Alright, good. Alright. You go, Sakura.
Oh, I'm trying. Jump.
You just press X.
I'm trying.
Stupid crow.
Don't let me jump.
You just press the action. I said X. You just need to press the action button.
It's the action move.
Yeah, as I said. There you go. Ah, stupid crow. I'm coming. There you go. I help you up, you see?
Oh.
Let's go. How are you being health wise? Oh my gosh. Stupid crow. Out. We have 1.5 minutes to get out of here. Top floor of the apartment.
Okay. But man, my character runs so slow.
Oh man.
Alright, now, do we take the elevator? I forgot. Go the elevator? Yes. Let's go. To the elevator. Go.
Another pipe. Get down.
Another pipe! Get down! Oh, there's a blue herbage if anybody wants it. I don't care about the blue herb. Oh, there's a green herb! I'll take that one. Thank you very much. Yeah, you took it. You beat me to it. Watch out for the zombie!
Oh.
Out. There's a zombie there as well. Oh, I don't have... There's a zombie and make it to the door. Quickly. I don't have ammo. So...
I don't know.
Alright, I don't have any ammo, and that's scary. Alright, we made it. We need to push the cars now.
You startled me. I'm surprised you're still alive. The whole city's a war zone. We need all the help we can get. Now, move the police car over there to build a barricade. Go!
Go!
Okay, for next time, Cindy, right? That's her name, Cindy. Cindy.
Alright, I'm gonna go push the cars real quick. Let's go. Push the cars.
Oh, which one? Where are you?
Don't push out. Don't close me in, huh? Don't push the other one. Don't close me
Oh,
in.
I'm following through.
Yeah. Oh, a zombie made it through. Another zombie made it through.
Oh my god.
Okay. One is... I think... Oh! Come on. Help me, please. Okay, run. Because I think there's a shotgun in here. I'm not so sure. I think there's a shotgun in here. Is there a shotgun in here? Handgun rounds. Well, nothing! I'm gonna go close the other path. Quickly, this way. Oh man, zombie made it this way as well. Alright, I'm gonna push this car as well now.
I think I'm hurt. Where are you? Left or right?
Here. I'm gonna keep pushing the car. I'm pushing the car.
Wait, don't push.
Oh, I think we're faster. We're pushing it faster now that you're helping me.
Yeah, watch.
Oh wow, the zombies are fast.
Okay.
Oh wow, they're all going through. Bruh.
No!
Oh, that's not good.
Oh, I got tackled.
Look, he's leaving everyone as always. No, I'm not. Come on.
They're getting closer.
Okay, True is
We gotta
heading
go
out.
now.
Thank you so much, True. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Take care, buddy.
Good night, True.
Good night, True.
Good night. I'll see you in the AM.
See you next time. You better be here next time. You better be with us. Having my back. Alright, guys, run.
No, but wait. Which one?
Run forward. The zombies are going through. Ah! There's an herbage there.
Oh, I don't need it.
I need it though. I'm gonna take it. Okay, I'm back to being fine, but I need to reload the gun quickly. Zombies are coming. It's working.
Come on.
It's not working. We'll have to run around till it's time. Guys, survive this part. I can't help you out. Because my gun is not working. I don't know. I can't reload the gun. This is
I don't have to reload for some
9mm, and this is 45, so that doesn't work.
No.
Why isn't this not taking it? I picked up the wrong ammo. I have 2 types of ammo, but none of it fits my gun.
Okay, how you attack?
Well, if you have ammo, you aim and shoot.
No, like with men, like the one my man doing.
Please help.
Yeah, unequip your gun, unequip your gun, and then just aim and shoot again. But then instead of wow. Right, I'm kicking. I don't think I'm making any difference. I don't think. No, don't still die. Man, this is impossible. You didn't pick up enough ammo, huh?
Oh, I died. I don't know.
No, don't die.
How do I heal?
I picked you up. Right, we did it. Man,
How do I heal?
so much stress. Well, you take a sweet herbage. You take a sweet herbage. Alright, now comes the tricky part. Somebody can pick up his shotgun. Somebody can take his shotgun. And somebody needs to pick up the lighter and set them on fire. I can do that. I can pick up the lighter and set them on fire. I can do that. If anybody wants to grab the shotgun, by all means, go do it.
Hey, I can take the shotgun.
Okay, you take the shotgun and try to hold them back.
Take shotgun.
Sakura, watch your
I
back.
wanna heal myself.
Yeah, you just focus on surviving. That's it.
Okay. Let me learn this thing.
So watch out for your own back. Through I was gonna say. McKnight, go get the shotgun. I'm gonna get the lighter, and let's do this. I'm running. Getting the lighter now.
Oh, run. Oh,
Get the lighter now.
I'm too slow.
Hold on. No, the lighter. The lighter was supposed to be. Where's the lighter? I don't see the lighter. Oh, there it is. All right, I got the lighter. Out.
Oh,
I got the lighter.
how do you use the...
I'm gonna do the whole thing here. Hold on. Alright, I'm opening the valve. Now stay away from the gasoline.
Okay, I gotta run.
Because there's gonna be fireworks.
I'm running away.
Alright, here it comes. Stay away from the gasoline. Because here comes the fireworks.
Okay.
Uh-oh, it's
Wait,
dangerous. It says it's
wait.
dangerous. What? No, don't do this to me, game. There we go. Whew. Here it comes.
Bye-bye. I
Bye,
gotta
have a
run.
great time. Now there's a canal on the side. Make sure you jump into the water right away. Sakura's busy being hot. Help her, Vloggy. Now I can help her, yes. But I wanted to get rid of the zombies. Alright, so, Sakura, I'm gonna come get you because I know you were limping. Are you still limping?
Yes.
Where are you? I don't see you.
I'm in the corner with what's his name?
Oh, you made it all the way up.
Why?
Where? I don't see you guys. Oh no, I don't see you.
Help me!
Okay, guys, I don't see you.
I'm with the knight.
I can't see McKnight. Oh man, I don't think the game synced up properly.
Jump!
Okay, I don't see you guys. Oh, I see you on the other side. Oh, okay, you're on the other side. Okay, I see you. You were on the other side of the fire. Okay. We got separated by the fire. I never knew that was a possibility. Alright, at least you made... I saw you guys jumping, so you made it. Now you climb through the little hole.
I beg your pardon?
Climb through the hole. Get in the hole.
Oh,
Vlog, you burned them. For a second I thought I did burn them. That's why I checked to see. But someone's on danger, huh? Oh, now she's on fine. Okay, good. Now go through the hole.
Which hole?
There's
two
like,
holes.
you just go through one. Doesn't make a difference. They're gonna lead to the same path. Then I'll see you inside in the tunnel.
Okay, I'm following McKnight.
I'll see you all there. You should be here soon.
No, babe.
You should be coming through one of these holes. I don't see you yet, but
Oh, yes.
I don't see you yet, huh? Are you coming?
Yorkie!
Yeah.
Oh, there you are. I see you coming. I see you coming down now. Alright, there you are. Whew, okay, let's go. There's a blue herbage, if anybody's interested. I picked up the red one. I picked up the red one. Oh, there's another red one here as well, if anybody wants it. Oh, there's a green. I'm gonna take this. Sorry.
Oh, wait.
And I'm gonna drop some ammo. I think somebody could make use of these ammo on the floor.
I might. What's a shotgun? Oh, I need to use it. I could use it.
So I gave you some ammo.
Here.
Wait. How do I load it?
Combine. You
Okay, got
combine.
Okay. Okay, done.
You did it, okay?
Here.
Good.
Yep. Yeah, okay.
Thanks.
Good.
Thanks.
Excellent.
Thanks.
Excellent.
Alright, let's go. McKnight has a shotgun. How many does he have? How many rounds does he have? Doesn't see. I can't see. Mr. Gold. Alright, let's go up.
Oh, baby. No!
Hey, Eric. Welcome.
Oh, man, you make me miss the vloggy's opportunity.
No, I'm focused on the game. I want to survive. Because it's giving us a hard time, and this is on easy, huh? This is on easy.
Well, because I'm a newbie. I'm new to this.
Yeah,
Bear with me.
maybe.
Newbie.
Look, the Apple Inn. I think
What?
we visit the Apple Inn in a later scenario. Yeah.
Really? Okay.
I'm gonna check real quick over this side. I'm gonna see if there's anything here. Maybe some rounds. There's a blue herb. That's all there is here.
I don't need Oku.
No, nobody needs blue herbage. But there's gonna be a van that's gonna like help us.
Man, she's weak. Look at how she runs, man. And she's on the tracksuit. This is weak sauce.
Okay, whenever you guys are ready, we can speak to the cop and we can leave.
How you can run fast?
Whenever you're ready, we can speak to the cop and we can leave.
Okay. Well, let's go. Let's go. Let's
Okay.
go.
I don't think there's anything else to pick up though. I think we can just go. Oh, what's this? It's tightly shut. Okay.
Sometime in front of the Apple Inn.
This is the Raccoon City Police Department. Please try to stay calm. Vehicles are standing by to
Please
commence
try to stay
evacuation.
calm. He told that to me.
We need everyone here as quickly as possible.
Alright. 5 minutes later in front of Apple Inn.
Okay, let's go to a room and knock out.
That's it then? Get in, please.
So your characters, look, Mr. Gold is actually, help me please.
The highway is too dangerous. We're taking side streets. Damn. Another barricade.
Some rescue team, huh? He's like, the road
As
is
you
blocked,
can
guys.
see-
You're gonna have to continue on foot.
There are too many roadblocks.
Man.
I'm afraid you'll have to get out and continue on foot.
Some rescue?
Man, we only weigh, what, 5 feet? That's no trip.
Yeah, he drove us around the corner. Like, okay.
Like-
Okay, there's a lot of ammo and stuff here, so this is gonna be useful. Alright, I'm gonna take a shotgun.
Wait.
Ooh, there's one each. There's one for each and every one of us. That's
Ooh,
nice.
Yes.
I'm gonna take
Me.
some rounds. Can I combine these? Combine. No, still nothing. Oh, these are shotgun rounds. Oh, I'm so stupid.
Oh, wait.
And
I keep pressing the wrong thing.
there should be a magnum gun as well here somewhere. These are handgun rounds.
What's the gun?
There's a shotgun here. Did you not see it? There's a shotgun here.
Good.
Look, there's the shotguns here.
Wait. Oh my god. I'm not used to these buttons.
What the hell?
I guess I'm only equipping this gun then.
Okay, how do you remove?
You can't remove, you replace. You replace. You pick up an item and you drop it with the other.
How?
Thank you. Come on.
Wait, I need a.
So pick up the shotgun for instance. Let's say you pick up the
Let me
shotgun.
see.
Okay? Now select which item you want to
Oh.
replace it with.
Okay. No, it says Magnum rounds. Oh, bro.
No, pick up the shotgun.
Keep press.
Oh, McKnight got the magnum gun actually.
Wait.
Oh, there you go. I think you picked it up. I see it now.
Yes.
There you go. Whenever
Okay,
you guys
how
are
do I
ready.
pick up- Okay, how do I pick up? I can't
Thank
see
you
it.
very
I need
much.
to pick up the
Thank
ammo.
you very much.
There's no ammo?
There's a first aid spray. Is nobody gonna pick that up?
Wait. I would.
There you go.
Help me!
Help!
Do that?
Please help!
Help!
Help me, help me.
No!
You know what? I think we'll pick this up and
What
replace
is
it
it?
with.
Let's just try to
Stay
calm.
like this.
No.
You dropped the shotgun.
No. Really? Oh, I meant to equip it.
Handgun magazine. I don't want that.
Okay.
Whenever you guys are ready, we can just move. Take your
Alright.
time.
Okay.
Ready?
Go.
Okay. I think we can go.
Oh, where are you?
I don't think you're equipping a weapon though, McKnight. I think you need to equip a weapon because your hands are empty.
I got no ammo.
I think
but-
there's an herb here. Hold on. I think there's no blue herb. I don't care about that one. I think there's a gun here or some ammo. Window. What's this? Ah, Magnum. Yes, please. Oh, I found the Magnum. I'm gonna
I
equip
don't
it.
have no. I want
Equip
to
it.
save my herbage. Man, she's slow.
Okay, as soon as we cross the footbridge, there's gonna be a cutscene as well. So whenever you guys are ready,
Okay.
let's go.
Cutscene.
Oh. God.
Now this is what we're gonna have to deal with, and I'm not kidding.
Oh Lord, no.
It's not a joke. We're gonna have to deal with all this.
Oh hell. No.
So you guys get ready. Alright, you guys get ready to I'm gonna take care of the bomb. I can do the bomb, that's fine. You guys hold the zombies off.
Eric, what's taking so long? Hurry up!
I'm trying!
Have you ever done this,
I'm
McKnight?
almost done! Hurry! Hurry! This way!
Yes.
You wanna do the bomb? Do you wanna take care of the
Okay,
bomb? Do
it's
you wanna
done.
try it?
Eric!
No. The bomb now.
Okay, I'll do the bomb, that's fine. You have my back, guys. You have my back, okay? While I get
No.
the bomb. Come on.
I ain't got no gun.
What should I do?
Protect me, please.
Shoot.
Tra-la-la. Alright, let's do this. Let's go. I'm nervous. I'm always nervous, but this part puts me on edge.
Well, I never played, so I have no idea what I'm
How many rounds do I have in this gun? I have 6. Good. Main Street.
Bruh.
The servers are okay. It's not lagging. The game is not lagging, is it? Let's go. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. You know what? I'm gonna heal. Use? Alright, let's go. There's one over there.
Come on!
You guys have my back.
Come on!
Oh wait, how did you?
Okay, I picked that up. I got one already. Now, find the other. I need to find the other. Where's the other part? Oh, I found it. There it is. I found the other part. Oh no, it replaces them. What? It's my game. Mine. There we go. What's this? Nothing. Okay, let's go. Sakura, okay? Are you surviving?
Yeah, but I can't see. I hate this camera angle. I don't know how to use this.
That's fine. We did it.
Okay.
I've already finished the whole thing.
GG.
GG, suckers. Look at that.
GG.
Bye, have a great time.
I don't know how to use this on.
This scenario is pretty short. This scenario serves as just kind of a tutorial how to get used to the game, really. It's not really a scenario, but it's nice to play it when a noob is joining us, so...
Thank you very much.
No, but it's true. No, you get used to the controls, the camera, the mechanics, the
Now
menus.
that was a rush.
Right. That's it? We're done? We finished the game?
Finish the first scenario, yes.
Yes.
Alright, because I didn't do the number 2 yet. I gotta work on how
The
to.
toughest scenario is decisions. Oh my god, this is that scenario. The took us a whole summer. I think almost a year
Everything started to go
to finish
wrong
that
from
meal
then.
through.
No. Maybe we just didn't realize things had been going wrong for a long time. Dead people wander the city in search of the living. Huh. When that becomes normal, I know that it's time to just give up.
Which cutscene are you guys seeing? Are you seeing Kevin talking
Yesterday,
to the driver,
just
or are you
before
seeing your
dawn,
character?
the Pentagon announced
my
that
character.
radioactive waste has been leaked throughout
I love
Raccoon
this
City.
cutscene.
In accordance with U.S. safety regulations, the city has been placed under
Raccoon City
quarantine,
and-
and the Army has been sent in to investigate and control the situation.
Oh, I can't wait for Resident Evil 2 remake. Thank you, Sapphire. To be continued.
Yeah, we
Dude,
finished.
let's see how many points I
Yeah.
scored. Let's see how many points I scored. I got 2772. How many guys
How
did
you
you
say
get?
that?
How many did you get?
I'm still behind.
I got a B rank. I got a B rank.
I got a B rank.
All right, good. Not bad for your first
Okay,
time.
okay, how you see that?
It says result points
Results points.
in the middle of the screen.
Rank kills.
Oh, what you got?
I got 2772.
I got nothing.
It says 0. What? It says 0.
I got 2,000.
Ah, there you go. You got 2000. I only got 772 more than you then. What about you, Mac?
It's hard to say.
Ah, that's okay.
The
Don't
numbers.
worry. Don't worry. That's fine. Don't worry.
No olvides que hablo español.
That's fine.
Okay, what do I press?
Now press OK or whatever, and you can save. Because I'm trying to rack up the points. I need to get 50,000 to get infinite ammo.
Okay.
Now, Sakura, are you familiar with Resident Evil 2?
Yes.
We're gonna go revisit Resident Evil 2 area.
Oh, cool.
So consider it like a mini Resident Evil 2 remake.
Okay.
Exit. I'm gonna create another room now.
Wait, exit. I'm exiting.
Okay.
Okay, now what's her name? Cindy?
Yeah, it's Cindy. Cindy!
Cindy A or Cindy
This
B?
one's busy.
What the fuck, Saf?
What?
So, la la
Maricon.
la.
Marica. Chinga su madre.
King.
Password.
Saf.
Oh, okay.
Hey Mac, with your hot voice. Alright, so, 4 players, 10 minutes. Very hard, yeah, right. I'm gonna go with easy for you guys. Play
Which
below,
one?
freeze.
Area 1? Area 2?
So,
Area
the password is 4322.
Area 2?
4322, the password.
Alright, so
Vloggy with that hot voice.
Vloggy, you didn't answer me. Oh man, how do we get out? Area 1 or Area 2?
Area 1, it's always Area 1. Area 1.
Tra-la-la.
Oh,
Password again?
you touch my 4322.
4322.
It took us around 40 minutes to defeat the first scenario, so it wasn't that fast. You know what? I poured myself a drink at the beginning of the stream and I forgot it on the table. I didn't bring it with me. I'm gonna go get it, be right back. 4322, yes. If anybody else wants to join, if anybody was watching the stream and wants to join, we have a free slot. 4322. I'm gonna put it in the chat as well.
Okay, can you give me a drink too? Oh, where's my drink?
You don't
Be right
drink.
back, be right back.
You don't drink.
No, my water.
Be right back. Okay, is everybody here? Ready to go?
Da.
Go.
Go! Start.
No.
So yeah, this is gonna be like in the Resident Evil 2 area now. The labs in the end.
See, did I choose the right one?
You chose Yoko now? Who chose Yoko?
No, I'm not Yoko.
Okay, so Mac Knight is Yoko.
I chose Cindy. I think the first one, because I didn't know which one is her bunny outfit. Oh, let's make out here. Oh no, wrong person. Ew.
There's no turning back now. But it'll all be worth it.
Ooh, you touch my tralala.
Wait, you big ding dong.
Alright, here we are. Okay.
Oh yeah, I got the outfit. Yay!
Yeah, she has the outfit. And yes, I took the pipe, so I can give you the pipe.
Wait,
Honey girl.
Let me give you the pipe.
Let me shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Take my pipe.
Oh, I'll take your pipe.
Take my
Oh.
pipe. Hang on, this is happening.
What's wrong with this thing? Stupid piece of junk. Oh, it's losing electric pressure. Oh, screw it. I'll just find another way out of here.
Take pipe. Hold on, let me try again. Present. Take pipe. Take the pipe. Take my pipe. Come on, take my pipe.
Oh, I take your pipe. Oh,
There you go. Now you have my pipe. Look at her laughing. It's just a weapon. Let's go. Go through the gate.
Oh my god, what's going on?
What's going on?
Okay, so which way? This way.
This-
Hey, someone's shooting.
Monica? I didn't expect you to return. After your little incident, I assumed that you went and hid under a rock like the little child that you are.
What is that capsule?
Wait! Are you after this too? You are, aren't you? Oh, you are so...
Stop it. I don't understand what you're talking about.
Don't play the innocent little girl with me. You can't fool me. You could never fool me. But maybe we can work something out. Give me your ID card. Yoko, you little lifesaver.
Yoko, go now.
I'm so glad we had this chance to catch up.
Key card.
Have a nice life. What's left of it.
Okay. I need to replace the gun because I don't like this gun. Alright, so let me check this area real quick. Is there anything here? Oh, there's a gun here, but I think Yoko should have it.
I got the pipe.
Cindy's got the pipe. Alright, let's go up here. Oh man, I love this area. There's a TV2 area. Oh, there's an herbage. First come, first serve. Alright, let's go.
Look at my tail.
I saw your bunny tail. Oh, you didn't let me look at it properly. Hold on. I need to look at it. Hold on, stop there. Ooh, ooh yeah. No, hang on, stay there. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Don't move.
Wait. Hey!
Sometimes the thing, the little elevator platform thing, moves like it's about to fall. So be careful.
climb.
Alright, we might get separated here from here onwards, so we might end up in different places from here on.
Okay.
Just so you know. There's 3 of us. Let's see how many of us are together and how many of us end up alone.
I'm all alone.
I'm on the B6F, East Passway. I'm B6F. I'm on my own apparently.
I'm on my own. Oh no, I don't know what to do.
Okay, there's an herbage. I'm gonna take that real quick. There's a zombie here. Keep moving. Alright, so if you find a wrench, a frozen wrench, pick it up. We need that. And even a valve handle.
I am in B7.
B6F. I'm in B6. Alright, so you're on the floor above me, I think. Oh, I found a knife.
I am B6F.
You're in B6F as well, so you're on the same floor as I am. Alright, I found the place where we need to put the wrench.
I have a knife. I picked up a knife.
I found a knife as well, but I'm gonna try to. These are 9mm, and the gun is 40. Uh-oh, a zombie's coming in. I'm gonna go hide. Quickly.
Thank you.
Okay, a zombie came in and I went inside the locker.
Okay, I don't know where.
You need to look for a valve handle. Actually, I don't think. Alright, I think the zombie took off. Yeah, the zombie took off. Good. Alright, I'm gonna go look for the wrench. Hold on, because I'm in the wrong area here.
Alright, so I have no idea where I'm looking. I'm looking everywhere for a wrench.
Either a wrench or a valve handle. See if you find those, because those are important so that we can actually meet again.
Okay. What? Okay.
Zombies. You're zombies! Oh, I found you! MacKnight, there you are. Hello.
I'm on the floor above.
Let's go. I found MacKnight. MacKnight's with me. So I found MacKnight. So we need to find Sakura now.
Oh no!
Watch out for the zombies. The game is not confused. Well, the game tries to confuse you in a way, but no, it's not that bad. I think I know where the wrench is. I'm gonna go check here real quick.
Oh no!
Oh, I hear the alarm. I know where you are. I hear the alarm.
Oh no!
Watch out for the zombie. Dodge. Make sure you dodge. Bob and weave. Wrench should be somewhere here. It's not here though. Oh yes, I found the wrench. Nice.
Uh-oh.
I found the wrench. I'm going back. Follow me, MacKnight. Follow me.
I grabbed some sort of liquid or tank or something.
We might need that. We need to create the V-Jolt for the plant.
No. Okay, so I have no idea.
There's another zombie here. Watch out! Ah, he grabbed me. Son of a biscuit.
Well, grab game time.
Oh, you. Alright, let me see if I can reload with this gun. Combine. No, I can never.
How you close the door?
The door closes automatically.
Oh. Okay.
But you can actually hold it. You can actually hold it to keep it like you prevent zombies from coming in. You can actually do that.
Okay, I'm in a tree place.
Yeah, there's like three.
Locked.
There's like a plant, the giant plant. Yes.
Yes, I'm locked. I mean,
I'm coming there. Actually, you know what? If you stay there, in a second, I think I should. Hold on, but the plant is gonna be blocking the way. No, I won't be able to go up there. No, I won't be able to go through there because there's a plant blocking me. So what I'm gonna do? Have you found an area where there's like, it's like a circular path? It's like a circular path, and there's like a thing in the middle, like a little door in the middle.
No.
I'm gonna find you. Don't worry. I'm gonna be in your floor very soon.
Okay, I'm BF7.
Yes, I'm coming. I'm gonna use the vault handle now. And then we can be together. Oh, watch out, zombie! McKnight, be careful when you come out. Because there's a zombie right in front of the door. Oh, and another one! Okay, I'm gonna...
Oh, no! No! Help me, please! Get off of me! Disgusting. Alright, I'm in the lab. East passage. East pathway.
I'm coming. Oh, watch out, zombie! Ah, stupid zombie.
Oh no! Chemical storage.
There we go. I'm coming. So apparently it's the floor. It's the same thing of what I have, isn't it? Handgun rounds. They look the same. Are they the same? Yeah, I don't need these. I'm gonna give them to McKnight. You can have them, McKnight, because I don't need these. There you go.
There's a chemical bottle here.
Yeah, we're gonna need that, but I don't know exactly how.
Okay, I got it.
Me and McKnight are coming. We are B7F, experiment room.
Okay, east pathway. On the east pathway, there's a zombie on the door.
Alright, we'll see.
I hear you.
Really? Oh, I heard the door open. I think that was you. Hold on.
What is this? A gun? Nah.
I heard the door open, but...
Yeah, me too.
A zombie! A zombie! A zombie! No!
What is this? What is this? Handgun rounds. I don't need these. So, let's look for Sakura now that we're on the floor.
Okay, I see you on the lab room. Sakura lab room.
4059. I found something, a memo that says 4059. Okay, we're coming. Let me see if I can find the room you're in. What if I call your name? Hold on.
Cindy.
Do you hear me?
Where are you? Experiment room?
Yes. Oh, there you are. I see you. There you are.
See you.
Yeah, we're back together. We're back
Okay,
together. You still have my pipe.
Yeah.
You need to heal, Sakura. You're on red caution, huh?
Okay. Okay.
Alright, good. Now then, what items did you pick up? You picked up the umbrella number 3 and the grey chemical bottle. Can you combine those two, Sakura? Can you combine those? See if you can...
This is it.
No.
McKnight's trying to give me something. Come on. First aid spray. No.
Oh, zombie!
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! Alright. So, were you able to combine those two items or not?
No.
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 Alright.
That's not allowed me.
Okay. Do you remember which room it was where there was the alarm sounding?
Yeah, right here. Follow me.
I'm following you.
This way, this way, this way.
Okay, following you. Watch out, zombie. Dodge.
Oh. This way. Oh, wait.
The rooms are so confusing. The hallways are so confusing.
I know.
Sapphire's heading off to bed. Everybody say goodnight to Sapphire. Sapphire, good night. Thank you so much for hanging out with us.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Give me cover. Right here, see? Right here.
Oh yeah, this is it. Okay. Wow, you really remembered the rooms.
Of course, I got good memory.
Alright, so. Okay, watch out. There's a zombie in here.
There's a zombie there.
Yes. Oh, wow. Okay, you know what? No, I don't need to pick this up. No, I don't need to pick this up. no need for this. Okay, so wrong room. We need to find a room which has like a lot of shelves. I don't know if you know which one I'm talking about. We need to find a room which has shelves.
A lot of shelves.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Maybe so. Another room around here because it's very confusing.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. How am I doing with health? I'm on yellow caution. That's fine.
Wait.
Let me check this area real quick. No, that door is useless. No, that door is useless. Definitely useless.
Sorry.
Okay,
Stop.
it's fine. Yeah, that's where the plant is. We need to kill the plant by using the V-Jolt. Let's dance. Hold on.
This is it.
Ah, 45 rounds. Those are what I need. Thank you so much, McKnight. Thank you so much. Combine. Ah, thank you. You're a lifesaver. Let's go. Oh, watch out, zombie! Is he gone? Yes, he's gone. Alright, so, this way. This way. I'm not so sure if I said hello to Final, but if in case I haven't.
Wait,
Yeah,
Final
Fantasy.
Final Fantasy.
Alright, so, I think it's this way then. Let's go this way.
Okay.
I need to find a room with a lot of shelves. Because there's a second ingredient we need to create the V-Jolt. Maybe it's in here. Watch out for any zombies around the corner. No, nothing. Okay.
I think there's a zombie. Two zombies in there. Two zombies.
Sakura. Alright, this is it. This is the room. This is it. Watch out, zombie.
What the fudge?
That's okay. He's down. Now, I need to find the computer. There should be a computer here somewhere.
Right here. Computer right here.
I'm coming. Because I need to switch. Oh, I'm gonna check the memo though. Hold on. The memo says... Hold on. The memo says... 4509. 4509. Yes. 4509. There we go. So I think there should be the second ingredient there.
Wait.
Yes, VP. Alright, good. I don't need the valve
This
handle
is
anymore,
it.
do I? Yes, I do.
Oh
Here.
my god, how do you do this?
I'm gonna use the healing. What? Do you what? You do what? What are you trying to do?
Buying 2 bottles. I
No,
got 2 bottles.
don't take those. I'm gonna give you an item, Sakura. I'm gonna give you an item and I need you to combine it with umbrella number 3, alright? Present.
Wait, I need to get out. Take my
Give
pipe.
me whatever, yeah, whatever. I took my pipe back. You don't have a you don't have a gun.
Okay, how do I do this? No, I don't have.
Oh. Alright, combine it with umbrella. I
This
think
is
you
it.
created the V-Jolt, yes? Yes, there it is.
Yes.
You have the V-Jolt. Now, there's a gun here. Somewhere. I think McKnight's trying to give you something.
What?
Oh, take the gun. McKnight's trying to give you the...
A handgun. Yeah. Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
Now-
Oh man, I wanted the pod.
You want the pipe? I can give you back the pipe, but the gun is better than the pipe. It's up to you.
I carry a pipe.
Hold on. Combine. Alright, ready guys? Ready? We can head out. We can head out. You know what, Julian? I never had Pocky Sticks. I never tried them. I want Pocky.
Pocky sticks?
Yeah, I never had Pocky Sticks.
Oh. The stores. I mean, I buy them in here all the times. And
No, I don't
where
think
would I go?
I don't think we get them in Europe. Pocky. Whoa, watch out! He ambushed me.
Oh no!
Out.
With me. I mean, crap.
You gonna be okay? I went through the door.
No. Wait. I gotta switch. I gotta take this off. Cause I don't want to break the
Now, this way. Ready? Alright, we're all together, good. Oh, watch out, zombie.
Oh! Damn.
Wow, he's still standing. Wow. Alright, we keep going to the far side, the rusted door. We're going to the duct. I'll keep Floggy's pipe, V4. Alright, this guy over here. There's a guy here. He says, I don't want to die. Someone give me a first aid spray.
I think I went to the wrong room.
Yeah, it's the one on the far side. It's a rusted door.
Alright.
Hey, Beaver, welcome. Nice to see you.
Justin Bieber.
Justin Beaver. It's Beaver, not Bieber. Are you guys here?
Yeah.
Cindy!
Yeah?
Yoko! Cindy! Yoko!
Okay. Stop calling my name.
Where are you? There you are. Where's my knife? Alright, now use V-Jolt on the plant. Alright? And there's gonna be a scene which is gonna be a bit...
How?
Go walk up to the plant and use the item. I think you have to be on this.
I can't. Really?
And use the item.
Okay, I don't know how to do it.
You just use. Just use. Select the item and use.
Oh.
There you go. Look at this, look at this.
Oh no, it's Jesus.
I know, right?
So nasty.
That's nasty. Alright, let's go.
That's nasty.
Now we can go. Oh, look at you.
Oh yeah.
Look,
Oh,
look,
yeah.
it's my character with bunny ears. I have bunny ears. Look at that.
Oh, the tail.
Now
Hey, where
that,
you going?
now that I have the... I swear, if you all meet Justin Bieber one more time, I kill you. Joke. My hair looks like young Justin's though.
Okay, where we going?
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna quickly open the valve here.
Okay. Open the valve. Oh, no!
Alright, I'm following you guys as well. Oh, I don't know what's in here. Let's go through here.
There's a camera.
There's a camera. Did you shoot the camera?
No.
So they don't see us?
I don't know. Can you shoot?
No, I don't think you can. I never tried actually. Can you do it? Let me try. No, it doesn't work. Okay, so I don't know where we go from here, huh? That's as far as I know. Let's go here. Let's see what's over here. Oh, there's a zombie. Watch out.
Hey.
Help me, please!
Help me! Please!
Help me! Alright, oh, look where we are. Oh yeah, that's right. We've been here already. No, we don't need to be here. We don't need to be here. This is the floor I was in. This is the floor I was in earlier. I don't need to be here. Let's go. We need to go back to the duct again where the plant was. And we need to go one floor higher again.
Okay.
How are you guys doing with virus? If you get the menu up. How are you guys doing?
9%.
9%. Wow, that's good. I'm 24%.
How you do that?
If you just open the menu screen, the status bar or whatever, the inventory. I mean. Right, we need to go up here now.
Wait.
Oh, somebody did something. What was that? Who did that?
Okay, Vloggy?
Yeah?
Okay, can this give me just a moment?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, because I think my neighbor's knocking on my door.
Okay, no problem. We'll wait. We'll wait for you where we are.
A break. I don't believe
Okay.
this. Something else I have to fix to get out of here.
Why you kicked them in the shin? You don't kick anyone in the shin. Come on, man. And you got detention. Oh no. Alright. So yeah, Mac, we're gonna wait for Sakura while she speaks to her neighbor, apparently, because she's being too loud, probably. I'm gonna kick her.
This is it.
Trying to give me something. Or not. Oops, I wasted a bullet. Good. Combine. Let's dance. Let's dance.
This is it.
What do you have for me? What do you have? Shotgun. Oh, I'll take it. Yes, please. Thank you very much.
This
Something
is it.
else. You have more stuff for me? Oh, antivirus. Yes, I'll take that. And I'll give you my pipe. You know what? Let's go up the ladder. We'll come back for her. She might be a while. So let's go up and then we'll come back for her. She knows she needs to go up anyway. There's another floor. I forgot about this floor. Alright, so let's take... Vloggy, did you hear about the bomb at the circus? No, I didn't. Okay, so let's see what's over here. I don't know what to expect. Oh, there's a zombie here. Careful. And there's a herb, but I'm not bother with the herb right now. Oh, it was intense. Oh, now I got it. Ah, okay. I got the. It was a pun. It was intense. I got it. There's another shotgun here, actually. This one's for Sakura. We'll save it for Sakura. What about this shutter? What does it say? Yeah, I got the joke now. It was intense. I get it. What's this? Memo on the ground. Mac, is that you? Oh, zombie! Huh, I thought it was Mac. Whew. Let's go. Okay. Do I need to know the password? Uh-oh. Will you use it? Oh, watch out for the stuff that falls off the ceiling. Or like maggots or something. Oh, and they move around. That's not good. So what about that memo that I picked up? Oh, entry guest, password none. Okay, so this is the computer that I need to use. Let's go. Oh, I need the key card. Sakura and Kira. Do you happen to have, since you're playing as Yoko, do you have the card? I don't think you do. I need to get the card.
No.
Yeah, we need to get the card. So you're back? Okay, we're coming back. Just stay there. We're coming back.
I can climb the ladder.
Let's go, Vlogibody 2017. I always say let's go. Yes, I have a tendency of saying let's go. And
You
that's-
you're on top?
Yeah, go up the ladder, yes. But don't go through because we're
Which one?
coming. We're coming, yeah. Don't go through the door because we're coming.
Oh, ooh, you're coming? Alright.
Hey, Ahmed! Intense. I know, right? That's so funny. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. because we need to grab the key card.
Hello, nurse.
And we're here. Okay, let's wait for McKnight, because I think I lost him. I ran too fast. We need to go up the ladder anyway. There's McKnight. Let's go. Your bunny ears are up my ass now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh.
My prostate. Alright, let's go.
Your prostate. So wrong.
So wrong. Alright, so where are we now? Oh, I recognize the area! Oh, how nice. Check this out. Sakura, check this out. You see my friend
I
here?
remember this.
You see my friend here?
Yep.
He's frozen.
He did.
Yes, so once we defrost him, it's not going to be all that pleasant anymore. Oh, there's a first aid spray here. Do I need it? I'm going to take it.
Okay.
What about this? What's this? Handgun rounds.
man.
I don't need these rounds. If anybody has a gun, they can take them.
Oh, yeah.
The door is broken. The door is broken. Do you recognize the area now from Resident Evil 2? It's very familiar now.
Yeah. I know where I'm going, but I'm frozen. Look at it. I'm wearing a bunny suit.
Yeah, it's cold. Alright, you know what? Guys, get ready because there's a giant moth here and we need to kill it. We need to shoot
giant
the
moth?
moth. Try not to get poisoned as well.
Okay. Oh, this is what the whatchamacallit, tyrant, you say?
Let's try to kill the moth.
Man, I'm lagging. Oh my god.
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh, God.
Watch out, I'm getting poisoned.
Where?
Oh, somebody killed it. I think it was Mac. I think Mac killed it. But I'm on poison. I'm gonna have to take the blue herb. Was it you, Mac? Did you kill it?
Mac did kill him.
Yes.
I saw it going down.
GG. Nice one. Yeah, I saw it going down as well. Alright, so we need to go here. To the platform. That's what they did. You see, Umbrella froze the labs to contain the virus. That's why it's all frozen here. Because they froze everywhere to try to contain the virus. There should be a keycard here somewhere. Okay. There's a red herb, if in case anybody wants it.
Mac.
Oh, is that the keycard? Is that the keycard? Hold on. The turntable key. This is not what I need.
This is it.
Has anybody found the keycard?
I got it.
The keycard? You got the keycard?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't
awesome.
have
Yes.
room. I don't have room.
You picked
Oh,
it
I
up.
got it,
You
I
have
got
it.
it,
It's
I
in your
got it.
inventory. Alright, let's go. I know where we need to go next. Where's McKnight?
Wait.
Oh, he's here.
Do I need the bottles or anything of this?
No,
With
you don't.
disposal?
No, you don't. You can use
Oh,
those
so
as
that-
weapons. You can throw them at zombies whenever you need.
Okay. Where's
So-
the?
This is
So
where we
where
need to
I'm
go. This is where I need to go. Back again. Let's go. It's awesome that Yoko can carry so many items. Now I understand why McKnight chose her. I'll be watching all your streams because it's spring break for me and I need to go outside. I'm an inside person. Same here. We're all inside persons here. We need to go... Which way did we come from? The red one? I think it's this one. Hold on. No.
We came from the red one.
We came from the red one. The red one. We need to go to
Yes.
the red one. Because we need to use the
The reason I
card.
remember. The reason I remember is the hunt.
Hey, Vegano, welcome. Nice to see you. We are playing some Resident Evil Outbreak. It's me,
Okay,
Sakura,
this
and McKnight. And this way.
What's wrong? I was thinking.
Please help!
Please help!
Okay.
We just watch streams outside. There was a time during summer, sometimes I watch streams by the beach on my phone.
Really?
Yeah. Why not? Why not?
But that is. Oh, do you have unlimited data or just rip data?
Yeah, I have unlimited data on my phone. Well, it's not really unlimited, but the company pays for it, so.
Man, Yoko has a backpack. Dang it.
Yeah.
Look at my bunny tail.
I'll just watch your streams outside. Alright, so let's go through here.
I found something strange.
Hey.
I found something strange, she said. Alright, so we go here. Whoa, 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 help me please! Alright.
No.
Oh my god! Logi.
I'm on red caution, I should heal. Alright, let's go. There's a shotgun here somewhere for you. Follow me.
For me?
Through the hole.
Through the hole.
Through the hole.
Oh no, that's.
There was a shotgun here. I don't know if I missed it. Hold on. There should be a shotgun here somewhere. It's gone. I think maybe McKnight picked it up. I don't know.
Yeah, for Easter. Oh, zombie, 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 zombie! No.
Okay, keep going through the hallway and then pick up the. Sorry, go through the hole. The next hole.
The next hole?
The next hole. Bunny costume for Easter.
Ooh!
In the
Ooh
game.
la la.
Yeah. Did you?
Yes, I have done.
Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, she put the bunny costume because it's Easter, I think.
Yep, it is Easter. It is Easter though.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Okay, I need you to use the card here.
Wait, 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 wait.
Over here. Watch out for the maggots because they shoot poison. Open the door for us, please.
Wait. Come on. What's so slow? Ding! Princess, I mean.
Okay. Now there's a
I
computer
mean,
here.
wait. I'm trying to reach. Oh, I'm in danger.
You're in danger. There's a first aid spray on the floor if you want.
Okay, I don't have room. That's a problem.
You can drop the yellow chemical bottle. I don't think you're gonna need it.
This is it.
Okay.
You know what?
How do I drop it? How do I drop it?
You replace it. You replace it. You pick up one item and you drop the other.
Oh. Oh, because I'm new to this thing.
Terminal code, yes. You've registered your passcode and the fingerprints. All right, I registered the fingerprints. We can go.
Wait, Mac.
We're done here.
Thank you.
Whenever you want, we can go.
Okay.
Let's wait for Mac
I can
Knight.
hit that.
Okay, Beaver, take care. Thank you so much for dropping by. Let's go.
Good night, Bieber.
Beaver, not Bieber.
That's what I said.
He said Bieber.
Beaver.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out for the maggots. Keep running, because they shoot.
Ew.
Stuff.
Wait. Ew.
Mac Knight's coming as well. All right, good. Let's go. Through the hole.
Through the hole.
Let's go.
Stay there. Oh.
Follow me here. So what do you think of this game, Sakura, so far? Like, what do you think?
Man, too slow for me, too confusing,
Oh,
but
come on.
interesting.
It is confusing at first because, I mean, I
Yeah.
know what's going on. Watch out, zombie! Help me, please! Help me!
Oh.
You don't have a weapon, Sakura. You do. Why aren't you equipping your weapon? Why aren't you
Wait,
equipping
wait,
your
wait.
weapon? You have a weapon.
Wait.
Kick you.
This is it.
Hey, don't kick me.
Let's go.
Don't kick me.
You could have helped me. You didn't help me. You didn't help me, please.
Sorry.
Alright, now through here.
Sorry, I didn't mean.
It's okay. A file lies on the floor. Read it now. Yes. There's some passcodes here. Interesting. We'll check those out later.
Do I still need the key card?
I think you should keep it, yeah, just in case. I don't know if you need it, but let's keep it because we're on the Umbrella Labs and an Umbrella key card could be
Okay.
useful. So let's just keep
Okay,
it.
where
for
we
now.
going? Where we going?
This way.
Going?
Through the door.
Oh boy. Boy, it's 4 o'clock. Vloggy's time.
4:30 a.m. right now.
And 4:34 Mac.
As well, yeah. Oh, your head's up my ass.
Oh. You know you like it.
Oh, I love it.
I thought you tra-la-la.
Let's go. Through here. Lurks around, Julian. Okay, Julian. Lurk away, my friend. Lurk away.
Lurk away.
Alright. Now, what do we do? Oh, yes, we need to cross the blue bridge now. The blue bridge. Thank goodness I know these labs. I've got
Not
these
me.
labs memorized because of Resident Evil 2.
Oh, Resident Evil 2, yes, but like stuff and monsters, no. Example, the moth, I didn't know it was there. And the magnets.
We need to get Wesker to play this game with us. It would be so cool. Alright,
can
what's
you-
over here? A card reader. You see, we need the card again. There you go.
Oh, thank God. Wait.
There you go. I don't think you need the card anymore now.
Sure?
Yeah, because that next door now requires fingerprints. So I've registered the prints already in the other room. There we go. Releasing lock. Let's go. My phone rang. I don't know. Hold on. My phone beeped.
Beep beep.
Alright. Okay. So
Grand.
hold on. This room they created the hunters. Oh, there's a first aid spray if anybody wants it. There's one here. Oh, watch out, zombie! Rip, zombie, rip. Do I have a free slot? Yes. Good.
Are you sure you don't need the whatchamacallit, the
me,
keycard, right?
please.
No, we don't need the keycard for sure. We're good. I could use some ammo because I'm running low. Anything with this computer? No, nothing. I'm gonna check the computers real quick. Nothing else to check. Alright, I picked up the flamethrower, whatever it is called, blowtorch.
Okay.
So we can go. We're done here. Out.
Okay.
Hunter Snowman. My character looks like Tom Cruise. It's true, he kind of does look like Tom Cruise, doesn't he? Yes, he does. Do you think
One ear.
my character looks like Tom Cruise? This door. Look, you can hold the door. Look, you see when the zombie tries to go in, you can actually hold the door.
Oh.
Low temperature experiment room. This is the room where they used to control the temperature. Let's switch the cold off because I'm freezing my nips off.
Hey, I'm in a bunny outfit. What do you think my body feels?
There we go. Okay, we switched off we turned on the heat now, so everything's gonna defrost, which includes the hunters. The hunters are going to defrost now.
Oh.
So yes, guys, equip your strongest weapon.
Okay, I got nothing. I mean, my strongest is my handgun.
Yeah. Or if we're not gonna fight them, at least we'll make a run for it. Now we're going to run towards the platform. That's where we need to go. You know the platform.
Yeah, I'm following you.
All right, let's go. If you can make a run, there's a shotgun on the floor. I don't know if.
Where? Oh,
Here.
okay, I could use it. Okay, but
Equip it.
okay. Wait. I'm a noob. Okay.
Ready? Let's
I'm
go.
ready.
If you can make a run for it rather than shooting the hunters, it's better.
shooting the hunter?
Yeah. No, I
Okay.
mean if you can run instead of shoot, because they're fast
right,
and very
right.
agile. So just start running. Go, 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 because they're gonna. Keep running, keep running. We have to cross the white bridge now.
What? Uh-oh.
The white here.
To the left or to the right? I mean, to the left, right?
I don't know if it's
Or straight.
Alright, but it's the white bridge, not the blue one, not the red one, the white one. The one that doesn't have any
We are-
lights.
Okay, we are on the blue side. So I cross. I gotta run
Exactly,
across.
probably, yes, exactly, yes.
The reason I do remember that because it's Resident Evil 3.
If you can make a run for it, just avoid the.
And what is my character?
Oh, he's defrosting! Oh, I saw him defrosting. Did you guys make it?
Yes.
Right behind you.
You're in the platform area, yes? Okay, I'm gonna switch on the platform then. Okay, we have 3 minutes before it takes off. Now, guys, come this way and step on this platform on this ledge over here. We're gonna be safe here. Just all the way back. Move all the way back, right here, like this.
Come on, get up.
All right, now move all the way back. Move all the way back, like this. Yes. So if any hunters come in, we shoot them. Obviously, I don't know if they can climb up the ledge, but there's gonna be tons of hunters going through. The room is probably full of hunters right now, and that's what the game is trying to do. The game is trying to give us some time with the hunters before.
But the hunters cannot run, right?
The hunters
What are you
cannot what?
doing? The hunters cannot jump in there.
Yes, they can. That's why I'm staying all the way back here, just in case.
So we have to wait 3 minutes for that door to unlock.
Yes. She's gonna try join us. She's gonna try to join us, but
Yeah,
She got hurt.
she is infected with G.
Oh, she got the G.
She got the G. Giggity. She got the giggity.
Attention, all personnel. The platform will be going up momentarily. Please board now. Repeat. Attention, all personnel.
You see, staying back here, sometimes staying back here avoids the hunters from spotting us, and they don't come over. Beep boop beep. You know what? We have 1 minute and 30 seconds. I'm gonna go make myself another drink. I'll be right back.
Oh my god, another drink.
Yes.
All personnel. The platform will be going up momentarily. Please board now. Repeat. Attention, all personnel. The platform will be going up momentarily. Please board now. Repeat. Attention, all personnel. The platform will be going up momentarily.
Okay, back. You see how Yoko's doing that maneuver? She like jumps or whatever. She does look at that. That's a dodge, yeah? She can dodge zombies like that easily.
Why you
No, only Yoko can do that. They, each and every character has an exclusive move or something like that. Or they have an exclusive feature. For instance, my character can kick like this. No other characters can kick like me. And yours can dodge, you see? Yours can dodge, like duck. You see that? My character cannot do that. And another feature I think your character has, I think your character has the ability to... I think you have like a backpack with some herbs.
Yes, I do.
You see, I don't have that. They're jumping, you see them jumping, the hunters. Sometimes we're both looking down, you see that? And sometimes we look up and look down again, you see that? Look at our heads. No, look at that. You see my head going up and down?
Yeah.
Look. That's because the hunters are jumping at us. Look at that. Even your head is gonna... You see that? The hunters are trying to attack us from the other side.
Up.
You see? They're looking up because the hunters. Alright, we made it. We're going. We're out of the labs.
Umbrella.
Yeah, we're safe.
Seriously? Who's calling this time of the night? Bruh. No. Looking. Calls this time of the night. Ooh, salamander. Who's that Pokemon?
Pirapi! He's cute. Okay, we're not safe. I was just joking. That is the boss. Okay, get ready to shoot. Shoot, 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 shoot. Okay, nice.
Oh, I'm sitting down. I'm tired.
Yeah.
Man, these heels are not meant to walk.
Marshalling yard. Oh, this is where I this is the exact same area where I struggle with
True.
Birkin. When I was struggling with Birkin earlier. Strange.
What the heck? You got that strength? Really? Let me ask. Who's this person?
Boss fight.
Well,
Boss.
yes.
Ouch. They did a good job with the monster. All right, I think there's some ammo that we can pick up on the other side of the. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Thank you.
Boss fight.
No! Don't kick
There's
my
some
ass.
ammo that we can pick up. Oh, there's shotgun shells here. Take these. All right, start shooting. Start shooting. Everybody, start shooting at them.
That way, that way, that way. Shoot.
Watch out. Ah! Annoying creatures.
Okay.
Oh, wow. That was a strong move.
Okay, I need ammo. I need.
Oh, I think he's down. They grew up so fast. Finally.
Yes, they grow up so fast. And they die so fast. Okay,
We
I need
did it.
Okay, we done with the game? We done?
We're done with the
I
scenario
have
as
a
well.
bad habit of embellishing stories, but I don't need to do it this time. At present, Raccoon City is one giant freak show.
GG. GG
To be
indeed.
continued.
GG.
Like a boss.
Okay, how many scenarios are there?
Like 5, I think. If I'm not
Holy
mistaken. Yeah.
Holy crap.
1,440. I got a D ranking. Wow. That's not good.
I got a D rank too.
Ah, that's not good.
I feel so depressing with the D. At least somebody gave me the D.
D for depressing. 1,500. Oh, you got 1,500. Okay, that's good.
I got 1450. But I got a D.
Everybody got more than I did then.
And I wasn't doing
think.
anything.
All
I
right.
wasn't doing
So, let's
Yes.
see. Now, the next scenario we're gonna play, I'm gonna be honest with you, I am not familiar with it because I was never able to finish it. Maybe McKnight has, maybe he can help. But
Oh, please.
Sí.
do you know the scenario Hellfire? Do you know how to play that one?
Yeah.
Yes, I play, pero I don't remember.
Me too. I don't remember it. I played it, but I don't remember it. So we can set it up, but sometimes this scenario glitches. I don't know why, but it happens.
Really?
Yeah. So we're gonna try it. If it crashes,
Okay.
we'll start over. That's
Okay.
fine. If it crashes, we'll start over. We'll give it a shot. I never completed this scenario with Drew. Never.
Okay. Do I exit, right?
Yes, exit. I'm creating another room as we speak.
Okay.
What? Really? Hold on. Okay. 4 players. Easy. Friendly fire outbreak. The hive. The hive? Alright, no. The next no. Okay, correction, guys, correction. The next scenario is not Hellfire. The next scenario is the hive. Alright? So it's not the hotel. It's the hive. It's the hospital from Resident Evil 3. I don't know if you are familiar with that one. So we're gonna go in Resident Evil 3 now.
See you.
I'm creating it
I
now.
don't see you.
No, I'm still creating
Okay.
it. Alright, it's ready. The password is E. And I'm gonna put it
How
in
many
chat.
E's?
I'm gonna put it in chat. It's 4 E's. E.
Okay.
The password is E.
Two, three, four.
Two players in. It would be awesome if Wesker could join us on this one as well.
Annie, whoever we, man, I don't believe Wesker has the patience to play this game.
Why not? No, I don't think. I think he favors classic Resident Evil games more than he prefers the new ones. Like he plays the classic ones like Resident Evil Remaster and Resident Evil 2 and Resident Evil 3 and Code Veronica. Those are the classic ones.
Oh, question. Resident Evil, is it Resident Evil 3 for PS2?
Resident Evil 3 is for PS1.
Oh.
Have you ever played that one?
I have the CDs.
Okay.
The original CD for PS1. I have one and a director's cut. Two and 3.
You can play PS1 games on the PS2 though, huh? You can still do that. Alright, let's start.
Well, it doesn't work on my PS3 though.
Really?
I remember all the setting and that reformat one entire.
Oh yeah, yeah, I remember, yeah.
How can you forget?
I remember now, I remember.
And you complaining, you delete that and you went to all the RE files that we worked on.
Oh man, I hate this scenario.
Oh, the hospital?
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna panic a lot in this one, I know it.
Help me, please!
Oh, a lot of help me please in this one.
Oh, I'm a noob here, so I had no idea.
Okay, so equip your guns if you have any. Oh, she changed outfit again.
Yes. And I got my body frozen. Okay, so what can I find here? Who that?
I apologize if I surprised you. Please, do not be alarmed. I'm a doctor in this hospital. I must say that this hospital is not an ideal place to take shelter. It's not as safe as it may look or sound. I myself have decided to get out of here as soon as possible.
Dr. Patel, you need to skip
I was gonna say that, Dr. Patel. Dr. Patel. Good man.
Yeah, good man.
Alright, so
Is
anything in
anything
here?
wrong?
No, nothing. It's just the intro room probably. Let's go. Alright man, I hate this scenario so much. Do you know this scenario, McKnight? Can you help? I'm really not good with this scenario.
Nope.
I'm not good with this scenario. I think this is where we're gonna die, huh?
I
No, remember.
I have no.
Oh, nice. First come, first serve.
Cheated. Oh, what's it?
Oh, there's a first aid spray here if you want. Okay, ready? Go to this room. I hate this scenario. I mean, I hate it because it's so stressful and so hard, but it's a good game. It's a good scenario.
Oh my god, this room is scary.
Anything in this drawer? Stick. You want my stick? I can give you my
I beg
stick.
your pardon?
You want my stick?
I beg your pardon?
I don't know what purpose this serves. A short wooden pole. Look at this. Present. Who wants my stick?
I beg your pardon? Ew. Toothpick. Ew, nasty.
Let me show you what it looks like. Hold on. Oh no! No! Look at that! No! Out of here! Out of here! Out! 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 Get out! I forget, Lucky. Have you ever streamed Daria 2 for the Nintendo 64? I mean, I know it adds up. Yes, Doug, I know, and I cannot get Resident Evil 2 on the Nintendo 64 to work. Yeah, Leechman is going to be the nightmare.
Oh, Jesus, scared me. Holy crap. Oh my god, I don't know which is scary. RE7 or this game.
This is the scariest. Hold on. Anything in here? I got a map.
Oh, cutscene. Dr. Patel.
Dr. Patel again.
The bloody elevator
What you
isn't
doing,
working.
Dr. Patel?
I'm
What
trying
the
to figure
bloody
out
hell
why.
are you doing, Dr. Patel?
It seems the electricity on this floor is entirely supplied by an auxiliary battery.
And you can't skip cutscenes, right?
See if this works.
Yes, if we want, but come on, let's enjoy the cutscene.
No, because I'm saying just in case.
We can.
Okay. Oh no, Dr. Patel. Ew, you got the bullet.
No!
Dr. Patel!
Run away, Dr. Patel! Run away!
What are you doing, Dr. Patel? No, Dr. Patel! Uh-oh. No, Dr. Patel! Sayonara! Oh my god.
No, rip Dr. Patel. Alright, from here onwards, from now on, the Leechman is going to stalk us in every room. So we need to be careful because as soon as he comes in, we have to leave the room right away. Right away. I'm gonna check real quick though. I want to see what's on the other side real quick. Hold on.
Is there anything
Oh,
around here?
there's a first aid spray. I'll take that. Dr. Patel is dead on the floor. Oh no, this guy is not Dr. Patel. This is Scott. Apparently.
Scott.
There's nothing else in this room. I'm going in. No, there's nothing. There's nothing in this room. This area. Look at you with the crutches.
I'm beating people with it. Because I'm scared.
Let's go.
There's nothing
We're
here.
done. Yeah, we're done here.
Right?
Yeah, we're done. Still on the hunt for a reason price per version. Yeah, gotta catch them all. I cannot find the Nintendo 64 version. They're all expensive and I can't afford that one. I would love to play Resident Evil 2 on the Nintendo 64. So, now, I think we're done. So we should start taking the elevator now. Go the elevator, yes. And we are all gonna go, let's go B1F. Let's start from B1F.
Roger that. Roger that.
B1F. Alright, I think this is the wrong room though.
Really?
I'm gonna check. I need to find out. Reposing room.
A reposing room.
Oh yeah, this is where we need to... Hold on. I don't know actually.
Man, even though...
Watch out, zombie!
Oh my god!
Whoa, he was in the locker.
Pew! Pew! Oh! Bye!
What? Ah, you went inside the locker. Ah, you went the peekaboo.
Oh my...
You played the peekaboo game.
That was fun though.
There's nothing in this room. Oh.
Oh! Do I see something?
Watch out! Ah! Leechman! Leechman! Help! 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 Out! 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 I didn't realize.
I heard something. That's what I said. I heard
Out! Get out of the room. As soon as you see the Leechman, get out of the room. I didn't realize he came through. I didn't realize. How am I doing health-wise?
Sorry,
I'm on
Mr.
caution
Boy.
already. Let's go.
LOL.
Yeah, it's not easy, yeah?
No,
I'm going through this door.
I can't see. What am I? What the hell? What? Oh, he's EV room. EV.
Leechman is coming!
Oh, fuck! Ow! Out of here! Out of here!
I'm staying in the locker.
No, what you doing?
I'm staying in the locker. Go! Go! He's following you! Get out! Get out! Oh my goodness! Get out of there! Okay. Okay, you're out. Alright, now I'm in the locker and I see the Leechman. I'm safe and sound in here. He doesn't know I'm here. If I move the controller, if I touch anything on the controller, I will make a noise and he'll get triggered. He's still in this room. He's still in this room with me.
What the hell?
Okay, he's walking towards me. I don't know if he knows I'm in this room. In this... Uh-oh. Does he know I'm here? Does he know I'm here? No. No. He's right in front of my locker door. Oh my goodness.
Leave it. Oh!
He's still in the room with me, huh?
Yeah.
Oh no 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 no! He's still here! He's still here! Why did you come back? Watch out! Watch out! Watch out, McKnight! Watch out! Is there something in this room you need? Is there anything in this room? I'm still in the locker.
Oh, no! Got infected! I got the leech!
I'm gonna get out of the room. Of the. Are you ready?
See there, see
Let's
there?
go! Let's go! Out! 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 Out!
Oh no, I came in. Oh man, I was trying to run away.
That Leechman's hot. V4, you have bad taste.
That's nasty.
That's nasty. Where are you?
I'm the crippling with the crutch. I don't. What are you?
Well, I mean, I lost Sakura.
Oh,
There you are. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go. Let's take the elevator again. Let's take the elevator again, and we go to 2F. 2F.
Okay,
We're going to the second floor.
Wait for me.
That's okay. You can call the elevator again. That's fine. Second floor. Let's go through this door. There's the station.
Wait.
This is gonna be a long scenario. This is where the game gets
2F?
hard.
You said 2F?
Yes.
I'll be scared if them somebody follow me to the elevator.
Watch out.
Where you at?
There's station. As soon as you come out of the elevator, there's a door opposite.
Opposite?
Yeah. Oh, I found the card key. What is this? Oh! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! He's here! He's here! Ah! Don't go through the door! Don't go through the door! Ah! No! No!
Okay,
No!
I'm not
Help me, please! Out!
I'm not
Out!
coming through the door.
Don't go through the door. No! 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 I'm coming back. I panicked so much with this one.
Okay, I'm so scared. I don't want to go through.
No! 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 I'm back. Where are you? Are you at the second floor?
Okay, right
there
here,
you are.
right
Okay.
here.
I'm under caution. I have to heal. Okay. Now I got the level 1 card. It says B1F. Alright, we'll check out the card. Let's go through. Watch out! He's coming back! He's coming back! Go through a random door. Any door. Take a door. Any door. I'm gonna take this door. Oh, man. Excuse me, I don't have bad taste. I like you vlogging. Yes, so you like Leechman and you like me. That doesn't say much about me. That's not flattering. There's a knife in here. I'm gonna pick this up as well. Also, guys, if you find an item called Blood Pack, a Blood Pack, take it, because the Blood Pack draws the Leechman. He goes and sucks the blood.
Oh,
Yes,
suck me
but don't use it. Don't use it right away. Sakura. But don't use it right away. We lost McKnight. Where's McKnight?
Oh my god.
Be on F.
B1F. Alright, we're coming.
Okay.
I got my stick.
I got my clutch. Alright.
You went B1F? Alright, I'm coming to B1F as well. I picked up the key. I'm gonna take this herb real quick.
Go. Scare. Hurry.
Is he here? Is the leechman here?
I hear him.
You hear him? Uh-oh, not good.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is! No. I'm going through this door. I'm sorry, I'm taking... It's locked! Take the elevator and go B1F. Go B1F. Don't worry about me. Go. Go B1F. That's fine. I'm gonna take the stairs. I'm on the first floor now.
Okay, oh, there you are.
Alright, I took the stairs. I'll catch up with you guys later. That's fine.
Okay, where we going?
I need to come to B1F as well, because I have the card key.
Okay. Oh!
Is Leechman there? Is Leechman over there?
Yes!
Alright, that's good. That means it's safe for me to go back. Alright.
What the fuck?
Alright, I'm coming B1F.
He's right there.
Alright, B1F. I'm coming. I have a card key, but I don't know what it does, huh? So we have to find... Do you know...
Where are you?
I'm coming B1F right now, but we need to find... Oh, there he is. Oh! I think the door on the opposite side. Okay, I found the room, which requires the card key. There we go. I opened the door. I went through. So go on the far door with the card key reader. That's the door I just opened. B1F South Passway. Whew. Wow, so stressful. Come meet me here.
What?
B1F and take the door with the card key reader. Let me open up the map. If I open up the map, I can see where you guys are. If I shout, if I call your name.
Which door?
The one with the card key reader in the main hall. And B1F, the main hallway. And there's one door on the far end. It has a card key reader on the side. I just opened that one.
Okay, I'm following McKnight. Oh! Oh, really?
What if I call you guys? Maybe.
Help! Cindy.
Pathway.
Cindy.
Can you hear me calling you?
Yoko.
No.
Are you in B1F? Let's start from there. Are you in B1F?
Cindy. Yoko.
Here's what we're gonna do. Call my name. Call my name.
Oh, broke my thingy.
Because if you call my name, I can see where you are in the map. If you call me.
I hear you.
Oh, there's a zombie! Whoa! Zombie right behind me! What did you do? You threw a toothpick at him? Where's McKnight? I don't see McKnight though.
Okay.
I am so pathway.
Oh, there you are.
Okay.
Found you. Okay, let's go. Oh, Leechman is coming! Keep running! Run! And find the door! That's, this door. Take the door. Keep running. Waste liquid disposal room.
Ew, toilet room.
There's some herbage here, guys.
Okay, that's for... What's my... Oh, a pipe.
Sakura. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Oh, a ledge! Get the ledge up on it!
Thank you.
Look at me, look at me, look at me, Sakura. My pipe is bent.
Help me!
My pipe is bent.
Stop making me look at that.
Look at my bent pipe. It's bent.
Oh, what the fuck?
Help me! We have to go!
I'm gonna hit you with my pipe.
Come on!
Can I kill this thing? Yes, I did. I killed it. Okay. Let's go down the stairs. I don't know where this leads. I have no idea where this game is gonna lead. Alright. I don't know. Let's go. Schluff. Watch out for the leeches. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There's something here. Ooh, a key item.
Oh.
Watch out, zombie.
Oh, no! Oh my god! Fucking leeches!
Right, I dropped the key card. I don't think. Whoa, 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 whoa! Help me, please! Help me, please!
I'm trying, but the leeches sucking my nipples.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! All right, let's go. I found something. I don't know what it is. I found a key. I think a padlock key.
Oh my god!
I found a padlock key. Let's go. We're done here. I need some ammo, huh? Vloggy's pipe is ready to please. I mean,
This is it.
help innocent woman in danger. Alright, we're done here. Okay, there's nothing else. I found the padlock key, but I don't know what to do with it. Let's go. I'm gonna hold on to it though. I dropped the key card as well. I don't know if I need it. I don't think I do. Oh, there's a zombie right behind us. Be careful, guys. Oh, there's another pipe here. Another pipe! I took it. I took the another pipe.
Where?
Keep running towards the door.
Which door? Oh, that
There's
one.
only one door. Leechman's coming! Leechman's coming! I'm out of here!
I don't know where you are.
Yeah, just keep running. There's the only other door. The only other door on the other side of the hallway.
Oh!
Leechman's there. Careful.
Run, Forrest!
Wow. That is not good. I'm gonna quit my pipe again.
I think 2F. We gotta go to 2F.
Yes. Watch out, there's a zombie there. Careful. Now, let's go on the third floor. Let's go to the third floor.
Ooh!
I haven't been on the third floor yet. 3F, guys. 3F. I took the elevator.
Me too.
Alright, third floor. I don't know where this takes us. I went through this door. Nurse Center.
Okay, we gotta find Dr. Patelli.
Dr. Patel is RIP. Hang on, we've been in this room. Hold on. No. We've been here before. No. Yes. No, this is wrong. This is wrong.
Oh, I got a bent pipe. Oh, my pipe is bent.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Look what V4 just said. Sakura, check out what V4 just said.
Leechman gonna, of course. That's what I said. Suck my juices.
Oh, is that what you said? Alright. Not good. Watch out, there's a zombie over there. No, 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 there's a zombie over there. Careful, guys. What about here? There's a broom here if you want.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna grab that.
Take that broom. Do some
I got a
sweeping.
bent pipe. Lele.
I don't know where this takes us. Let's see.
I'm afraid.
I miss True. True would have been a good bait. We can leave him to get eaten.
I think we've been here before. Yeah, we came from here.
Yeah, this is where we started. No, this is not where we.
2F?
Whoa, 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 whoa! Out, 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 out!
Get out!
Get out! Get out now! Get out!
What about 2F?
Get to the chopper now!
2F. How about 2F?
We go to F.
Did we go to 2F?
I don't know. Let's go to F. I don't know. To F. I don't know. Have we been to 2F? I don't know.
Nah. We've never been to.
I think
never
Vloggy
been
is
to
more
F.
suited for that job though. V4. Ah, there's a station. Okay, okay, let's go here. Have we been here? I remember saying
I
there's a
don't know.
station earlier, but
Nurse's station.
if we finish this scenario, I'll be happy. Feels like we've been here. Oh, there's a zombie right behind me. Careful, guys.
Oh no! What the fuck?
Okay, okay. Blood pack inside. Yes.
Okay.
I found the blood pack. I'm gonna leave it here though. I'm not gonna take it for now. Don't take the blood pack. I mean, if you want, you can take it. But
Somebody take it.
no, I mean,
I'm gonna come back.
watch out, watch out. Yeah, we are. Oh, oh, Leechman, get out of here! Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. There's too many monsters in here. Zombies and Leechman out. We don't need to be in the nurse's station.
Grab the blood package. What?
Don't use it, huh? Do not use it. It's important that you don't because
Not use it.
we're gonna need it later. What's this door? This one's tightly shut. It won't open. Okay.
You got the key?
Not for that door. Let me check this door real quick. Hold on.
Did we go to 1F?
Yes, we've been to 1F. Now, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna check this room. Room 202 real quick. Yeah, I've been in this room as well. I've been in this room. There's nothing in this room. Out. Woo! Leechman's coming.
The booger.
We are 19 subscribers away from doing the hot chili
Yes,
challenge.
before. Yes, before.
Alright, so where are you, Sakura? Oh, there you are. Going down the stairs
right
now.
here.
Take the stairs.
Okay, where's Mac?
He went down the stairs with me as well.
Oh.
Now, very important, guys. Very, very important. When you see a window... Hold on, what's this? No power. When you see a window with zombies in the window, do not get close to the window. Do not get close to the window. Stay away from zombies at the window. Because they'll pull you in. They'll pull you. Alright, what's all this? Anything in here? Nothing?
Help me!
Please help!
I need help. There's nothing in here.
Doesn't look
I
like...
see
Oh,
pizza.
no, there's a shutter switch. Hold on.
Really?
Yeah, I just... Okay, I enabled the shutter. Guys, do you guys need ammo?
Demo?
Yes, Cindy.
Oh, fine.
Cindy requires ammo because she has a gun, but she doesn't have... Sakura, come pick up these ammo over here.
What's the padlock key for? Where are you? Where are you? I can't pass through this thingy.
Where are you? This way. Come over
Oh.
here. There's some ammo over here. Take it. There you go.
Do I need... Okay.
Let's go. Out. I'm giving ammo for everyone. Oh my, that's pretty interesting. I never trusted a Leechman for a second. Oh, Leechman's here! Leechman's here! Up the stairs! Up the stairs! Up the stairs! Up the stairs! Up the stairs!
Dude!
Up the stairs! Leechman was right there waiting for us, my goodness. Here's what we should do now. Let's just wait for the Leechman to come back up here. And then we'll go down the stairs again. Because he's gonna stay there. Wait for us. So let's just stay here until he shows up.
Okay.
We stay here until Leechman shows up. If anybody spots the Leechman, please say so.
But right now, I don't...
Oh, he's here! Out! Down the stairs again! Down the stairs again! Wow, I panicked so much with that Leechman.
Of course you panic.
Yes, I do. I do. Alright, let me open this shutter real quick because I just restored power to this shutter. But before we go through this door, let's go here first.
Where?
There's a door here. I don't know where this leads. Locker
There's a
room.
gun on the floor.
Really? I could use that gun.
I haven't touched my gun yet. I've been using the pipe.
You've been using the pipe. Oh, there's more doors here. Alright, let's check out the consulting room.
Oh, let's consult in that room.
I'll consult you. Now it's examination room. I'll examine you. I'll be examining. I'll be examining this. I have this. Okay,
Oh,
this
they
is the room.
spread
Be
the
careful.
cheeks.
Be careful. Be careful. Zombies are coming.
Oh
Stay
my
away.
God.
Stay away from the zombie. Stay away from the zombie. Try not to get hit by the zombie because you'll die.
Get off of me!
Because if he grabs you, you're done. It's game over.
Okay.
I found something. Card key level 1. What?
Okay. What?
I took it, but I don't know what it does. I took it. Hold on, it says B1F. I don't need it. Leechman's here! Out, 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 out! Out, 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 out! He hit me. I'm following you, Sakura. Now we lost. Now we lost Mac Knight.
Nah, you got the wrong person. You lost me. Oh.
I don't like this thing.
Oh! Doggies!
Doggies? What? Help me! Help me! Help me! I'm gonna kick this dog. Oh, I'm kicking him.
I'm going bad.
Oh, Leechman's here! Out, 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 out. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, come on! Damn, dog. Examination room.
To me,
Ooh.
personally, when Leechman shows up, it's every man for himself.
Sure.
Oh, another zombie, careful. Oh, there's another door here. So many doors! I'm so confused. Treatment room.
Oh! 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 I thought my game froze.
Okay, this is a safe room. This is a safe room. Leechman doesn't come in here, for sure. How can I tell? I'm gonna call Mac Knight so he can come.
Over there! Yoko!
Where are you?
Oh no, Sakura, I thought it was... Hold on. I thought... I lost you, Sakura.
Cindy!
I thought it was-
Cindy!
Oh, I
was you
hear,
with
I
me.
hear, I hear.
Cindy!
Oh, the Leechman!
Cindy!
Oh,
Cindy!
Oh my god.
I'm calling you so you can come.
Cindy!
So you
I
know where
was
I
in the
am.
Cindy.
examination room.
Cindy! Cindy!
Oh my
Cindy.
god.
Should I keep calling you so you know where I am?
No, because
Help!
the zombies.
Because I'm in a safe room here.
Oh! Oh, for crying out loud. I need to go back. Ah, the Leechman. I'm in the same room. With the dog. Ah! Let go, fucking dog.
Hmm.
I
I know where you are. If you are with the dog, I know where you are. I'm coming.
I'm in danger.
Really? I'm coming. I can't leave you alone. You're not gonna find us.
Oh, 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 Leechman! Chasing me! Oh, I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna
Don't
be there.
die. I see the Leechman. Where's the Leechman? Leechman's here. So it's definitely not with you. I'm coming. Hold on.
You know what the dog is? That
Locker
room.
room. I'm trying to remember how to get to the dog room.
Okay. No! Oh! No!
I found the locker room. No, I haven't been here.
Oh! Come on!
I need to find you.
No! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
I need to find you. Where are you?
No! Oh my god! Oh my god.
Where are you? I'm trying to find you. Oh, Leechman's here! No, Leechman, don't you dare. Okay, we're good. I'm coming. I think I know where you are. Are you still in the same doggy room?
No!
Where are you now?
Help me!
I hear you, help me. Where are you? Which door did you go through? Must be this room then. No, it's not. It's not from the other side, so it's not this room. Where are you?
I'm in the examination room.
Examination room. Okay, I'm coming. I know where that is. It's this one. I'm coming. Sit tight. Do you have healing?
Yes. Ooh.
Oh, there you are. Watch out, Leechman! Take that door. I'm coming with you. Stay there. Take the door. When you see Leechman, leave the room. Whichever door it is, just leave the room. Don't worry about losing us. We'll find you again. But worry about yourself. There's a doggy here. I'm gonna kick this dog.
Come on, aim down. Kevin. There.
Nice. Keep hitting
There.
him.
Die, bitches.
Watch out. Watch out.
Please help!
Oh, he bit my
Come on, it's just one dog. Oh, Leechman, out! Out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Sakura be cheating on Vloggy with the Leechman. Dun dun dun! Alright. Man, this is stressful.
Where to?
This door. Let's take this door.
Which door?
This one over here. You see me?
No.
This door.
Oh, this door.
Let's go.
Brr. I need a pipe.
Alright,
My
this room is very
pipe
safe.
bent.
This room is safe. If there's anything you want to pick up, do not pick up the card key though.
No?
No.
Alright, don't pick it up.
I don't think there's anything else you can pick up here actually. Caution, caution. I'm on caution. Should I use the healing? Not yet. Okay, you guys ready to get out?
No.
This was just a room to take a breather.
Okay.
The stream has everything. Very amusing. Really? Everything? The question is, who's really the leech man? It's just some guy who got attacked by leeches and he's like a leech man now. He's just a random guy, a random zombie. Let's go. Out. He reminds me of Ouroboros in Resident Evil 5 when we hit him with the fire and then like he dissolves. Remember?
Yeah.
Let's go.
That one.
Out. Is Leechman here? No, he's
I
not.
hear it.
No, he's not here. Alright, let's take this door again, real quick. Actually, there's nothing in this door. Nothing, never mind. Watch out, let's go this door. This way, this way. Be careful of the zombie. If he grabs you, you're doomed. Oh, out.
Incoming!
Wow.
Suckers!
So much stress.
Lock up.
Alright, I'm gonna check. Yeah, let's check the lockers real quick. See if there's anything. There's a red herb here if you want. And here, there's me. This one's locked with a simple lock. I think Cindy can unlock this one. Can you unlock this one?
Cindy?
I'm not so sure. There's one that says it's locked with a simple lock, this one. Can you open it? No?
No, does
No,
not work.
okay.
There's a padlock.
Some character can open it. But it's not us. Oh, Leechman, this door, guys, this door. Locker room. Take the door that says locker room. Vloggy has 2 pipes.
Oh
Sakura.
my god, let go, let go.
You know what to do. V4. Alright, so we're here now. Let's take this red door that says night reception. I don't know where this leads.
Okay, wait,
This one. Red door. Oh, zombies' groans can be heard. It's dangerous to open this door. Never mind.
Hell no.
Alright, so we'll take the staff room, I guess. Oh, we've been in that room actually. No, never mind. We've
Night
been in that
reception?
room. Yeah, we've been in that room.
Okay.
Come back
I'm
out. We'll go through the door that we just opened with the shutter. You know the
Okay.
shutter I pulled up earlier?
No.
Oh, this
Where
one.
are you?
One over here. Over here. Over here. Your other left. Other right,
Oh.
actually. This way. We lost McKnight.
My neck got stuck in there.
Is McKnight okay? Seriously.
I am the pathway.
What's this? Oh, 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 out, out, out. Go back, go back, go back, go back.
Crying out loud. We can't even leave the room in peace.
Yeah, that's the game. Alright, let's look for McKnight. And we'll go to that room later. Oh, there he is. McKnight, this way.
Night night. Night night.
Yoko!
This way.
Did you find anything?
You know what we should do? Just wait for Leechman to show up so we can actually go through this room. Because
Okay.
Hold on. If there are no vents, he's not coming.
There is a vent.
I don't see the
Somewhere
vent.
around here.
Oh yeah, there is a vent. Yes, that's right. Alright, so when he shows up, we're gonna go through that door again. Okay?
Okay.
Let's dance in the meantime. Can you dance with me? Dance with me, Sakura. Dance with me.
I don't know how you do the quick turn.
It's quick turn. You press back and X in my controller at least.
No, doesn't work. Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, through the door. Dance is over. Dance is over. Oh, next thing you know, V4Z has quads. Alright, so there's some. Oh, wow. You're damaged. You're bleeding, Yoko. Careful. Oh, I recognize this area. It's Resident Evil 3. Take the door. Take the door. Take the door. Take the door.
Which one? Wait.
Whichever door. I took the office door. Whatever.
Oh, I'm going with your name. No!
Careful.
Okay, I went to this door.
What about this PC? What is this? What does this computer do? Nothing special. Okay, no problem. What is this red button here? What is this? Emergency light. Nobody's in the room with me, is he? Nobody's in the room with me. What is this? Memo. Whoa! Oh! Leechman! Leechman's here with me, guys. Doctor Station.
You got anything?
You know where I am right now? I'm in the, you know the main hall where we just were in the entrance? Oh, zombie right behind me!
Oh, office.
I'm in the Resident Evil 3 area right now. Very familiar.
I'm in the office.
You're in the office? Okay, take the other door then. Take the other door. Yeah, Leechman's there, I think.
Yeah. I did a quick turn. No way.
Take the other door and come join me. I'm on the other side. Welcome
I don't know
to
where
the
that-
other side. I want to come get you, but I'm scared of the Leechman.
I'm in the central room again. With,
Yes. No, okay. So,
Oh! Uh-oh. I'm infected. Oh my god. Freaking door. I'm looking for... I gotta kill that dog. I don't know where is McKnight.
if you can come meet me
In the central waiting room.
Yes, come take the other door. Take the next doors so you can join me. I'm gonna call
I don't know
you.
where you are.
Alright, I'm gonna come get you. But there's Leechman out there.
Now are you in the hall?
Please help!
Yes. Oh, I hear you. You're in the next door.
Yoko! Cindy!
Right here. Yeah,
Cindy!
with McKnight.
Take the next door. Take the next door.
Cindy!
An
Cindy!
office?
Yes, office, and then take the other door. Oh! Never mind. He's here.
Okay, I'm in the office.
Too late.
Yes, I'm in the office. We're gonna stay in the office until Leechman shows up. Let's hang out in the office until Leechman shows up. Anyone here?
Move!
Okay, you
Oh,
guys are all here. Okay. Okay, let's hang out here.
Oh, there's a leech here.
Yeah, and we're gonna take this door, the one up with the clock. But not now, not now.
Oh, what the fudge?
Okay, you guys are on caution. You probably should heal. Because, Sakura is on red caution. I'm on yellow caution. I'm gonna stay like this for now. That was a bad idea, I think, McKnight. I think that was a bad idea. I think Leechman's still there.
I'm not going in.
Oh, yes, go through. He's here. Leechman's here now. Out. Wow.
Okay.
Okay, we made it. Now, we take the elevator. Oh, I just saw the zombie teleporting from one side to the other. And we're gonna take B1F. Let's take B1F.
Okay. B1F.
Oh, let's Feels familiar. Have
Wait,
we been
wait,
here?
wait, wait, wait.
Have we been here?
Yeah. Yeah.
We've been here, right?
Oh, zombie.
Reposing room.
Yes.
I am so lost.
Yes, we've been here. Oh, zombie, careful. Out. We've been here.
2 zombies. Zombie the other way. Okay, I have no idea where I'm going.
I don't get it. So, what's the point? 3rd floor. Have we been to the 3rd floor? I think we have, eh?
Yeah, we came from their floor.
I don't get it.
Okay, I'm going to the 3rd floor.
We are going around in circles then.
I saw a zombie open. Okay, I don't know where you are.
We have to
I
go.
came to the 3rd floor. Ah! Don't come to the 3rd floor! Don't come to the 3rd floor! Out! 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 Out!
Which floor?
1st floor. I don't know. I want 1F.
1F.
I want 1F. Let's go 1F.
Doctor station.
Doctor station. Oh, there's a zombie here. Careful. He's not dead. You sweeping, girl? Alright, let's do this. I want to see you do this. I want to see you do this. Oh, really?
Oh my god. How do I get cured?
Alright, he's gone. But I used my last bullet. I am done. I used my last bullet. You're bleeding.
Okay. Wait.
Hold on, I'm just gonna look around. I feel like I missed something. I don't know where to go from here. Hey, Lovelord Nick. Welcome. Nice to see you. We're playing some Outbreak today. I don't know where to go.
Okay, I think I'm infected, so I am about to die.
No, you're fine. You're fine. I'm just gonna hold you for a bit.
I'm 67%.
I'm groping.
Oh, Floggy.
I'm doing the grope.
So nice. I can't believe you were
We
groping.
lost
You
McKnight.
nasty.
Where's McKnight?
Yoko!
I am in
I
the.
don't have a gun. I don't have a gun. Oh, I feel much better. Hold me, baby.
Don't die on me, Cindy. Alright, I don't know where I need to go. Let's go this way again. Let's go this way real quick.
Hi, Nick. Long time no see.
It has been a while.
Oh,
Alright, I don't think there's anything we can do in this room.
okay, where?
Let's go here now. I'm at 67%. This is not gonna be good.
No.
Okay, I'm in the hall now.
Yeah, but where we supposed to go? I don't have a gun.
Oh, Leechman's here. Okay, out. Go back.
Oh,
I'm sorry. Leechman just ruins the plans right away. Alright, let's stay here. We wait for Leechman to show up and then we go back to that.
oh, I don't have a gun. I want to kill that leech.
I don't have a gun either. I mean, I do have. Technically, I do have 2 guns, but no ammo. We lost McKnight. If you can come to the hall, McKnight, if you can come to the hall.
Ow.
Yes, it is the hospital from RE3. That's right.
Wait, I see somebody in that door.
What?
I thought it was my knife, but it's not.
No.
Yoko!
Yoko.
Come on, Leechman, show yourself.
Leechman.
Leechman's with you.
See.
Alright, so we can go here then.
Oh,
Okay. Alright, okay. Let's hang out here until Leechman shows up. Let's hang out here. And then we take the door. And then we take the same door McKnight came from.
This is it.
Oops.
Oh, Leechman! Out!
Oh, seriously? You gotta grab me.
I love this hospital, Nick, as well. I love it, but this Leechman makes it a nightmare.
I'm 72%.
I am at
This is
63.
it.
How are you 63?
Uh,
How you went down?
It depends how many times you get bit and hit. Alright, let's go here. There's McKnight's trying to give us something. Hold on. Let's go. Oh, Leechman! Take this door on the back. There's a door here on the back. I don't know where this is gonna take us, but let's go. First floor passageway. I don't know. Oh, we've been here. This is not right. No, wrong door.
Oh.
Wrong door. And what I love about this game is that we get to explore more of the hospital from RE3. Most of the areas in RE3 are locked or obstructed or blocked or whatever, but this time we managed to. Oh, Leechman, go through the door again. How do I feel about RE7? I loved it. It's back to being horror. I loved it. I loved it. I simply loved it. I was very skeptical about. Hang on, what's this? Vending machine. I saw that.
Moggy, and you make me play the game.
There's another door here. There's another door here. Let's see what.
Wait.
Hold on. What's this light? Shutter's already open. Okay, let's go. This door. Definitely this door.
Oh, come on, get in.
No, I loved RE7. I have to say I loved RE7. I was very skeptical about the third.
There's a dog in there. A doggy.
Oh, this is the doggy room.
Yeah.
Oh no, there's a Leechman actually. Ah! Yeah, I was very skeptical about RE7 being in first person, but I loved it. I really loved RE7 being first person.
I am about to quit.
Really? Come on.
Oh man, we're running in circles.
Yes, it's true, but until we figure out. Whoa, oh, help me, please! Thank you, Mac. Thank you so much.
Oh, he broke my arm.
I don't know where you. Oh, Leechman's coming!
Now we got separated again. Oh my god, look at that ass.
What about Chris? Oh, 100 caution, time to heal. What about Chris? We don't know much about Chris, but something's up. Something's definitely up. There's more to the story. Did I hear Leechman? No, he opened the locker. That's what we heard. Where do we go from here?
Where we going?
I don't know. I have a cabin key. I have a padlock key, but I don't know what it does.
Place doesn't look sanitary at the hospital.
Oh, why don't you kill the Leechman? No, it doesn't work. There's only
it's a locker room.
Let's see. Oh man.
Where are we going?
I don't know. Let's go up the stairs. Let's see. Let's go up the stairs. Maybe. I'm trying to think.
Second floor.
I'm so confused right now.
I am so lost. I have no idea where I'm going.
Let's go B1F.
Oh.
B1F real quick. B1F perhaps. Trying to avoid spoiler for people that don't know. I don't like the looks though. You don't like the look, but no, never mind that. People didn't complain about the way it changes the look from RE1 to RE. Hold on. To RE5. Ah! But they have updated the engine. They have updated everything. I don't know where I need to go.
Oh, the lift man.
I don't know where I need to go. And I lost you guys, all of you.
I'm on the first floor hallway. 1F.
It doesn't look like him because they upgraded the engine and stuff. That's why. That's it. That's all there is to it. Hold on. Oh, I found the room that we haven't seen before.
Are you in 1F? Are you in BF1?
Hold on, I'll tell you exactly where I am. I am in. Oh, seriously, Mr. Leech? B1F. Yes, B1F. Come to B1F.
Okay.
B1F. I found the room and I found some controls. Not so sure what I need to do.
Oh! Jeez.
Hold on, let me just check this desk real quick. Call the elevator. Okay, and it's asking for a passcode. Oopsie.
Come here.
Go. Oh, go. Oh!
I'm gonna check the documents that I picked up real quick. Setting up the elevator. 4-digit code. Requires a 4-digit code. And it doesn't say what it is. What? Administrators in charge of deciding the
Where?
security settings for the various settings. Oh, come on, game.
What room are you? Reposing?
B1. I don't know what this game is called. I'm gonna die. I'm at 83%. Stupid leeches. Oh my goodness, leeches.
God.
I'm gonna die. I'm not gonna make this. Oh my goodness, the freaking leeches. They just keep popping out of nowhere.
Oh, Leechman!
Piece of memo. This has nothing to do with it. I'm gonna die. I'm done. Setting manual. The administrator. It says administrator, but I can't find. Freaking leeches. I don't know the passcode. I'm gonna leave the room and I'm gonna cheat. I don't care. I'm gonna cheat. They said spring, and it's spring already, so I'm guessing any time now.
Oh, scare me!
Oh, hello. Oh, Leechman's coming! This is not good. Okay, if you guys can, oh man, I need to look it up real quick. Hold on. If you can, guys, give me a second. I'm gonna Google it. I don't care. I'm gonna Google it.
We're in the engine room.
Well, so Resident Evil Outbreak. Oh, Leechman's here!
Good.
Oh, seriously, man.
We have to go.
Out. Alright, so Resident Evil Outbreak. This is called Hive Codes. Alright, here we go. Hive Code Elevator. Here's some tips. Here we go. Ah, seriously, zombie! I don't have ammo, that's the thing. And I keep getting hit by... I'm dead. 94%. The frickin' leeches.
If you think you know everything about the Smurfs...
Oh, yeah, I got the ad. Sorry.
Oh, that's
I got
not
the ad.
even convincing.
Sorry. Frickin' Smurfs. Zombies chasing me, of course. Wow.
I don't know where you are. Where you going?
No, I'm just gonna keep running. I'm dead.
Oh,
I am so
Leechman.
dead. I am so dead. 94. No, I'm not gonna make this. I found the codes, and there's like 3 codes that I can try. Alright, I just saw McKnight going in the same room. Oh my goodness. Alright. So the first code is 3555. I'm gonna try it real quick. Fast, be fast. Oh man, these freaking leeches on the floor. Oh man. So, oh man, I'm not gonna do this. You can now go to the second basement via the elevator. I'm dead. I'm a zombie. I'm dead. I died. But I managed to open the elevator. If you go to... I didn't read the message properly.
Dead.
I died.
I don't know where I'm going.
You guys are on
Why
your
you?
own. I'm dead.
Where are we going?
I think you can go to the rooftop now.
Rooftop? How we get
I unlocked a door.
3F?
So where are you guys exactly?
Second floor. I'm going to the third floor. Third floor.
I don't even know what floor I'm on.
It's just an elevator, but it's another elevator.
I'm a zombie. Can I get the elevator? Can I? Nope, I can't get the elevator. It's the leeches that ruined me. Yes, it's this year, Nick. It's this year. Resident Evil 7, the DLC comes out spring this year. So any day now. Well, any week, any day, any second. Got wrecked by leeches. Can I attack the zombie? Hold on.
Oh.
No, I can't.
I'm following McKnight because I have no idea where I'm going.
We lost.
Huh?
I died. Rip. Vloggy zombie. I accomplished nothing. I knew I was gonna die. 0 point. No, I did. I got 256 points out of
Where to McKnight?
Vloggy zombie.
Okay, where's the elevator?
No, why how beat this level?
Okay. Oh, I hear. No! No! 1F. I have no idea where I'm going. Alright. No!
I managed to unlock something by putting in the passcodes, but I don't know what exactly. I got a message, but I didn't read
EV
it.
control. Oh, 92%.
Yeah, I think we've been playing this
98.
scenario for 1 hour. Yeah. Oh, it says so. Yeah, 1 hour. We've been playing this scenario for 1 hour.
I am a zombie. I'm dead.
You're
I'm a
dead.
zombie.
You're dead as well. Rip.
Let me suck your blood. Let me suck your blood. No. Let me suck your
Man.
blood.
Oh man, god dang it! We didn't accomplish much in this scenario.
No.
Titi.
What about you, Knight? Where are you? Are you dying?
Yes.
I'm 100%. I'm following McKnight.
If you're still alive, McKnight, you can actually shoot her.
I'm dead.
You passed out.
Rip. I'm rip. Yep.
So it's just McKnight on his own.
Yep. Okay, I need to take a restroom break. I gotta go potty.
You go
Okay.
potty. You go
Yeah.
potty. Okay.
Well,
Okay. Okay, I'll be right back.
I can set up another room. Yes, actually, yes, we do need some help, Martin. So maybe you can join us. It would be awesome. Yes, it would be awesome if you join us. We can create a new room. I'm gonna save. And that was uneasy. I can't believe it. It was this scenario. I struggled with this scenario so much. It's beyond belief. I finished this. I think I. Are you going to sleep? Okay, McKnight. Okay, no problem. No problem, Mr. McKnight. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. That was awesome. We enjoyed having you with us. So, instead of McKnight, we're gonna have Martin joining us. I'm gonna create a room then. I don't know how to beat this level. I mean, I've beaten this like twice or 3 times, but I'm still very green. This is like the scenario I struggle with the most. I think I struggle with the scenario more than Decisions. You know what, Nick? People kept saying, please make this happen, bring these titles to the PS4. And I was like, that's far-fetched. I don't think that's gonna happen. But now, I can see that pattern. I think they're porting all their titles to PS4, when you think about it. Like Code Veronica's coming to PS4, the Revelations 1 and 2 are on PS4. Well, 1 is coming on PS4 as well. You know, they're bringing all their titles. They brought 4, 5, and 6 to the PS4. They're remaking 2. So, you know, with that pattern, I wouldn't be surprised if they release Outbreak Violent 1 and 2 on the PS4 as well. So, who knows? Who knows? Am I able to play this through an emulator? I also have a PS2 and Outbreak, but no adapter for it, no. Amy managed to get this working on her PS3. I think it's more complicated, but she managed to get it to work. But no, the best way is to run it from an emulator, I guess. I'm gonna go on easy again. Friendly fire off. I'm gonna go the hive. Finish. Alright, so the password is 4444. Hey, look, it's Amy! You see, Amy, you're still up. Amy, you're still up. Why aren't you playing with us? Huh? Are you too good for us? Huh? There you go. You didn't play with us and you're still up anyway. Wait. I'm saying you're still up. Maybe you just got up. I just realized it's almost 6 a.m. here. So maybe you just got up. Amy Bullerken. Alright, so the room is ready and it's called you're welcome to join us. It's fine. It's fine, Martin. That's fine. 6 a.m. too? Alright, so you're in my same time zone. You're from Europe. You're either from Italy or from Germany or from, trying to guess all the time zones, or I think Greece, or trying to guess where you're from, judging from the time zone. What else? What other time zones are there? Spain? And Netherlands? Sweden! Yeah, okay. Sweden. Okay. So there we go. I love to, but I can't see. Oh, freaking vertigo. Yeah, it's almost 6 a.m. here. You're up early, Martin, or you still up from you still haven't been to bed. That's how we roll here. We're up all night and then we sleep during the day. Sakura went to wee wee, and looks like it's a very long wee wee. So anyway, anybody who wants to join, the room is called and the password is 4444. I'm gonna put the headset down and make myself another drink. It will be my last drink for the night / day. I'll be right back.
Hello? 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 Hi, Amy.
Okay, I'm back. Are you
Um,
done wee-weeing? Oh, hi chat. There's Martin.
Yeah.
Okay, so Amy, Amy. I'm looking at Amy's name. I called you Amy. Sakura. The room is called and the password is 4444.
Holy crap. Hi, Amy. What am I?
Sakura vlogi fue prepararse una bebida.
Bebida.
Bebida. Vlogi bebida.
Okay. Area 1.
Yes, the password's 4444. Oh, by the way, McKnight left.
Oh.
McKnight left, and we've got another one joining from chat. His name is Martin Milk, and apparently he's more familiar with the scenario than we are. So
Yes,
maybe
yes.
he can guide us. Yeah!
Oh, somebody took Cindy.
Maybe he's gonna play as Cindy then.
All right, I'm taking Ethan. I am Ethan.
You
Four,
take.
four, four.
What are you, Ethan?
How many fours?
4444. Can you guys hear Sakura okay, guys? Can you guys hear her okay? Should I put the volume up? You can hear her
No,
better?
no, 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 no. I'm
No,
okay.
we want to hear you. I can hear you fine, but... Okay, are you in? Are you in, Sakura?
I'm in.
Okay, let's go. Yay, we get to see Mr. Patel, Dr. Patel again. Dr. Patel.
Yeah.
Dr. Patel.
Dr. Patel. Dr. Patel. See, I'm Ethan.
You're Ethan. Okay.
Yeah,
yes, you
from
are.
RE7 Ethan.
Oh, RE7 Ethan. Oh, you can hear fine. Okay, that's good. Oh, it's amazing. There was already another Ethan then. Interesting.
Yes. I'm a sucker's leg.
Yeah, we get to see Dr. Patel. Hello.
I think it's
My
kind
name
of
is
late.
Dr. Patel.
Yeah. It's a Friday morning for the McKnight. Same is it's almost 6 o'clock for you.
There we go. You're a doctor.
Yes, I'm Dr. I am Dr. Ethan.
Why aren't you a
I work
sexy
for
girl?
Angela.
Why aren't you a sexy girl? Why do you have to be a bald guy? Oh, it's Dr. Patel. Hello.
Oh,
He's my fellow
I
comrade.
apologize if I surprised you. Please do not be
Hey,
alarmed.
Dr. Patel.
I'm a doctor in
be
this
alarmed.
hospital. I must say that this hospital is
Welcome
not an
to
ideal
my-
place to take
my
shelter.
hospital.
It's not as safe as
Oh,
it may
hello,
look or
Ethan.
sound.
You are my
I
colleague.
myself have decided to get out of here as soon as possible.
What the hell?
You're a doctor.
Yes.
Okay, what does
Okay, I'm gonna let's just follow. Let's just follow Martin right away. Let's just keep following
Okay.
Martin.
Martin.
We'll just have his back. Oh, by the way, Martin is in the same time zone as I am. It's 6 a.m. for him as well. I think we already lost Martin. Martin!
Did you find anything?
Wait for me. I just came out. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Left or right? Left or right?
It's the only other door. There we go.
Good.
I'm getting confused now because Sakura, the girl, is playing as a guy, and Martin, the guy, is playing as a girl. I'm getting confused now. Male nurse Larry, I don't need this. Ah!
Let's go.
I'm out.
Yes, that's fine. We have to keep that in mind. Yes, because he's playing directly from a PS2. Martin's playing from a PS2, so his load times may be a bit slower than ours. So we have to be a bit patient as well.
Okay.
Well, that's fine. It gives us enough time to keep up with him.
Yes.
This way. Look at the doctor running around with a crutch.
Hey, I'm a doctor.
Look at Amy bragging. PS3 times load were awesome.
I know.
Stop
Damn,
bragging, Amy. There's no point in having a fast PS3 running Outbreak if you're not gonna play with us.
Hey, Dr. Patel.
Oh, the bloody elevator isn't working. I'm trying to figure out why.
Oh
It
man,
seems
I
the
messed up
electricity on
my
this
wires.
fan is entirely supplied by an
Dr.
auxiliary
Quickie Mart.
battery.
Dr.
See
Quickie
if
Mart.
this works.
I like that. Alright, time to have a sip. Amy, you better join us next time.
Yeah, come on, Amy, join us. Oh no, you still have the doctors today.
Yeah, she can't play right now, that's fine. You're off the hook for today. Next time, I'm gonna use a doctor's note if you can't play with us. You get us a doctor's note.
He smells the blood. I'm a the vampire.
Oh, I love me some blood.
Good.
I'm gonna
I am
suck your
sickly.
juices. Suck your juices.
You say that? Before, you heard what he said? You heard what he said?
And this is the sound. This is the sound he made when he sucked his juices. Hang on. Careful, zombies up! Ah!
Get
He
off.
managed to get a hit on me. God dang it!
Watch out!
Front and center.
Where?
No.
Ah, so he plays
Fine,
George.
thank you.
So you're George.
Oh man, I thought it was Ethan. What in the hell?
We're still
Is
good.
it
We're still good. Let's keep following Martin because.
Okay,
What
I'm
he
out.
said? Oh my goodness. Alright, let's go.
Sayonara.
Doctor gonna cripple you.
Because I'm holding the crutches. I am doctor gonna cripple you. Oh, I'm gonna carry you.
Doctor
Okay.
crippled.
We have to go.
Alright, so which floor are you
floor?
going,
What
guys? Which floor? Uh-oh.
What floor?
I don't know. I don't
What
know.
floor?
I'm going B1F. I'm going B1F. Martin, we have some issues communicating now because you can't tell us which floor you're going. Oh, there he is, B1F.
Okay.
Good call. Oh, looks like Martin needs some help. Is Leechman here? No. No, my bad. No, sorry. You okay, Martin? You're on bleeding.
Wait. I'm the doctor. Martin, I'm the doctor.
Doctor, my ass. Let's go. B1F. Okay, Martin. Yes, tell us whenever you take an elevator. I appreciate if you tell us which. Otherwise, we'll have to guess.
Okay, wait, Martin.
Alright, this is
I'm
the room.
doctor.
Out! I'm sorry, I don't care. I'm heading out.
Okay. Oh no. Oh, the fudge.
No.
Oh,
Thank you.
I cure you and
No.
then you get sick. Oh my god. Man.
Oh, look at this guy. Look at the zombie over here. Whoa! Oh, he got out! Oh, he got out! Whoa, and he managed to get a hit
Get
on
off of me.
He managed to get a hit
Get
on me.
off.
Oh, Leechman! Back to that door where Martin was.
Come
Ooh,
on.
wow.
Get in, doctor. Jesus.
Wow.
Blood. Lemons, doctor.
Wow. It's not good. How am I doing? Why, still fine. Okay. How's Martin doing?
Yeah.
Bleeding, still bleeding.
Wait.
Now, the passcodes, I have them on screen. Hold on. I'm gonna kick these leeches.
Oh my god.
Are you gonna take care of them yourself, Martin? Because I know the passcodes. I mean, I have them on screen here. Which are... So, 3555.
Okay,
Oh, I think he just
healed
did
you.
it. I think he just did it. Something went on already. I think he did it.
Alright, I healed you.
Please help!
Ooh. Again. I just healed you.
You can now go to the rooftop via the elevator. I think we just did it. Settings has already been changed. You don't need to do...
Thank
Okay,
you
it's
so
done.
much.
It's done. Out. Out.
I found it. Ow!
Oh my god, so many leeches.
Someone's there.
Yeah, we're done
Help
here.
me.
We're done here. Out. Let's follow
Yeah.
Martin.
Oh my god. Okay, where to?
I'm just gonna wait for Martin. Well, that door is
Bruh.
locked, so there's no point.
for a
taking to the
minute.
green door now.
Okay.
I need to set up a Nightbot command that tells me the codes. Now then, this room. What about this room? I'm gonna open
Where
the
to?
room.
Where to?
I
Where
don't
to?
know.
Where to?
Oh, zombie! Careful.
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, I picked you up.
Rip zombie.
Oh, broke my
Rip
thingy.
zombie.
Found it.
Okay, let's go.
Did you find it?
I think I heard a noise. I don't like the noise I heard. Is that Leechman? Yes, it is! Out, 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 out! He grabbed me! He grabbed me! He grabbed me, a son of a biscuit! Ah!
Grab you. Oh my god, that's so cute.
Ah.
Oh.
Because there was like 3 people in front of him. He grabs me, the chosen one.
No, no.
How am I doing health-wise?
Okay, I have no.
Okay,
what
head to the floor. I don't know. I'm going. Let's just call it first floor.
B2F, 2F, 2F, 2F. No!
Aim is laughing. Stop laughing. Stop laughing. Okay, I need to explore a little. Okay, Martin, no problem. Oh.
2F, 2F. The basement 2F. Basement 2F.
Is he in basement 2F?
Yes.
Alright, I'll join you guys. I went to the first floor by mistake. Ah! Oh, you're freaking kidding me. He injured me. Oh, you're freaking kidding me with this. Where's Leechman now as well? Oh man, I'm so dead. I am so dead. Run, run! No, 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 no! Not good.
Don't worry, Martin.
I'm coming.
I need a gun. I need a gun.
Wow.
I can hear bloody scream.
Yeah, where are you guys? Where are you guys now?
On the 2F, the first door.
Freaking kidding me, he's here now as well. Ew, he grabbed me here now as well. Are you freaking kidding me?
Wait!
We need to wait here. Okay. Wait here for what though?
No, I don't know. I'm just waiting.
Oh, this room. I've never been in this room.
We're dancing.
Hold on. You're trying to kill the Leechman, are you? Fixed temperature experiment room. Yes, I know where you guys are. I'm coming.
Well, I hear you.
There we go. Yeah, this is what we needed to do right away. We needed to place the blood over here. There you go. Yes. Somebody needs to place the blood. Do you guys have blood? Yes. Cindy. Oh yeah. Martin has the blood. Yes.
Yeah.
Let's dance. He's coming. He's coming, guys. Get ready.
Yeah.
This is what we needed to do right away. Okay, somebody place the blood back. We're good. Come on, Leechman. He went through the door. Nice. Alright, we switch on the heat. We switch on the power heat thingy. I got it. And drip. Thank you so much, Martin. I don't know how we missed this. That's
This is
it.
just an awesome
No
time.
more Leechman. No more Leechman.
Yes, I'm on Leechman. Bye, Leechman.
Again, this reminds me of Resident Evil 5. You know the Ouroboros?
The incinerator.
Yeah, exactly. The incinerator. Yes, exactly. Mac Knight's like, GG. We missed this. Mac Knight, we missed this.
Yep. Yeah, that was so easy. And we were
We did it last time, but I forgot about this room.
Yeah.
Alright, we're good. Whew. Let me take that. I only have 1 bullet left in my gun. So we need to pick up something. He dropped something. He must have dropped something, yes? Let's go get it.
Oh.
The card is too hot. I can't touch it. Oh, we need to change the temperature. Hold on.
I am following him.
Yeah, but we need to pick up the card. He dropped something. So let's make it low.
Kevin!
No, he's gonna be hurt.
Kevin!
I'm coming. Just gonna
Kevin!
pick up the card.
Kevin!
He dropped something.
Kevin!
Help me, please help me. Oh, card key, level 2. There you go. I picked up a card key, level 2.
Thanks.
Oh, shit, for the kid. I got it. No problem. I got it, Martin. No problem.
Oh!
Hurry up!
So, level 2. I'm gonna give it to Martin because he knows where to use it. So I'm
Thank
gonna...
you.
Ah!
That was easy. I know. When you know how, it's easy, eh, Mac? It's easy when you know how. Alright, so,
Here.
I'm gonna... Present. Come on. Seriously?
Please, I need this.
All these leeches. I'm out of here.
Ah, I hate this.
He took it. Good.
Thank you.
Let's go. Out.
Okay, to the rooftop? No?
I don't know. He knows. I don't know. We just have to wait for Martin because his PS2 runs from a CD, so not like ours.
Oh.
He's going this way.
Oh, leeches.
Frickin' leeches. Okay, apparently we're going this way. Underpass entrance. Oh, this is where you get where you use the key. Yes. This is where you use the. Let me pick this up. Yeah, this is where I use the padlock key. I had the padlock key earlier.
Yeah, but
Alright.
where
I don't think these handgun ammo are gonna do any.
Okay, I'm trying to find you. Where are you?
I'm in the same room as you. You don't see me?
No, I'm talking about Martin.
Oh yeah,
I
okay,
see
that's
Martin.
fine. We'll find them. Let's go. That's okay. Let's go. We'll find them.
Man, I'm following you.
Yeah, follow me. That's fine. We'll find Martin. Don't worry. Martin, where are you? Help me, please.
I know Martin went here. This room. Right here.
No, that's where we just came from.
I know he was there. Maybe he's
Oh
jumping
my
on
goodness,
walls.
26 already damage.
Oh, he forgot the key card. Dude.
No, I got the key card. I gave it to him already.
Oh.
Catch up, please. Second floor. Let's go second floor real
Okay,
quick.
do you have the lock pad key?
No, I don't have the padlock, you know.
I
I had it the first time. Oh, second floor. Come to the second floor. I found Martin.
Okay. I'm coming to the second floor.
And then, once you come out of the elevator, take the door opposite the elevator at the nurse's station.
Left or right?
It's right in
The
front of
opposite.
you. Yeah, just opposite it. Okay, that was my last shot. That was my last round.
Good.
Well, I need to get used to these keys. Buttons, control, whatever you call it. I hear. Nurse's station.
Yeah, we're coming out actually. We're just coming out now.
Ah,
Sorry.
buggers.
Sorry.
You bugger.
Sorry.
Right.
Let's follow. Room 202. Gonna have another sip.
I'm sipping.
Good stuff. There's a zombie, careful. I cannot attack. I got nothing.
I got nothing. Don't touch me, Dr. Patel.
Did you find anything?
Don't touch me.
Thank you.
Let Martin go. I got the knife.
We have
That's
to
a good-
go.
That's a good weapon. Let's go.
Let's go.
Ah, you
come
got
on,
the
turn.
knife. You got the knife. Oh. I keep saying he because I see a man.
No.
Confuse me. I'm gonna call you Dr. Sakura. This way. We need to restore power here. So
you
nice
find
not
it?
having the leechman following us around, eh? Right, I can
Correct.
do this. I can do this real quick. Flip the switch.
We have to go.
There we go.
Kevin. George.
Yes.
Over there. We have to
Where?
go.
Where?
We
Over
have
there.
to go.
Oh, there's a gun. That's good. Thank you.
Aww.
Thank you. I got the gun. I got the power. You have a gun already, don't you? Why are you not equipping the gun? Ah, no, you're Ethan. Okay.
George.
Yes.
Let's go.
What?
We're good. We're gonna do this now. After the scenario, I have to go to sleep, huh?
George. Take
Me?
this.
She wants to
This
give you
is
something.
it.
She wants to give you something.
Oh.
I think she has a gun. I think Martin has a gun for you.
Yeah.
There you go. Now we all have guns. Nice!
Thank you. Wait.
Right.
We're already doing better than we did before, huh? Let's go.
Yeah. Wait. Oh. I gotta get used to this. I'm not used to the controls.
What? Have you not played classic Resident Evils before?
Yes, but I'm so used to the other like the Last of Us, RE5, RE7. You know what I'm saying?
I think this is the room where there's the zombies in the window. Again, stay away from the zombies in the window because they're a one-hit kill. Unless there's somebody to help you out.
Okay.
Did you find anything?
Let's see. No, don't waste ammo. Let's see. First, do we need it? Do we need this card key? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Zombie woke up. Do we need that card key, Martin? Do we need that card key? One or whatever it says.
I don't know what did Martin go?
Where'd he go?
Right here. Oh, he slapped me. Bye.
He did bitch slap you. How much is that zombie in the window? Woof 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 woof. That was V4. That was inspired by
found it.
V4.
Yes. Come on.
I don't know if we need to take that card key. Let's go B1F. We're going to B1F.
All right.
Watch out, zombies. Yes, Martin has the card. We can go. B1F, don't forget. Now we're gonna do this. We pretty much completed the whole thing already. We just, from B1F, we're gonna get the padlock key, the one I got earlier. There's no need to unlock those shutters or anything like that. Those were just shortcuts. So take the elevator. The elevator.
Elevator. Oh, I hate this camera.
Oh, wow! Zombie ambushed us. Nice.
Bye.
He's like, surprise, sucker. And now, with the key, we open here. But Martin has the key, so he has to open here. Kevin!
George!
Kevin! George! Help me, please!
Never!
Now this is where we get the padlock key. Whoa, zombie! Ah! Yeah, everybody shot him. I don't think there's anything we need. Is that? No. No, I thought it was a shotgun. No, it's just a bike. This is where we get the padlock key, but I'm not gonna pick it up because Martin knows exactly where we need to go to unlock it. So. Oh, sweet herbage. I'm gonna take this.
What the fuck? Oh, what the?
Is this guy alive? There's no response. He's already dead. He's dead. Deadsies.
Do we have to go back?
We are gonna go back eventually. Just pick up the key here. Maybe he's here to pick up the key. Look, he's gonna pick up the key. There we go. And let's go. I'm studying his moves, so next time, maybe next time, I'll be able to do it on my own.
We have to go.
We have to go indeed. Nobody's picking up the herb? Seriously, nobody's taking that herb? I'll take it. You take it. Come on, take it.
Oh, you take it.
You sure? Okay, I'll take it. Alright, now which floor do we go?
Yeah, which floor?
Watch out for that zombie. I think we fell behind. B2F, we're gonna go to B2F.
I know. I'm following.
You're
Martin.
following? Okay, just in case you weren't looking, you know?
Oh, he's right.
Let's go. B2F. Come on, sun's coming up here.
I know. Yeah, 20 after 6. Am I correct?
Yeah. That is right.
So many liches.
Nice. You see, we missed the door earlier. The door which leads to the room where we incinerate the leech man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so we unlocked the thing with the padlock. Now here. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, we're gonna finish this.
Let's go. Let's go in the tunnel of love. Well, let's go in the tunnel of love.
Let's go. Tunnel of love in the boat. Alright, so we go in the boat. Same time underpass entrance. Can you guess what the boss is gonna be in this game, this scenario? What have we been dealing with a lot in this scenario?
Boros.
What?
Ouroboros. Leeches.
Yeah, exactly. No! Get down! Get down! Another pipe! Get down!
Oh. What a waste of a boat. Ew! What the? Ew!
It reminds me of it reminds me of Resident Evil 0.
I never seen it. Oh, the queen?
Yeah, exactly. Yes. Oh! Oh! Quick turn and run away. Oh, he got me. Am I poisoned? No, gosh. Sakura because he has a wide range. The attack has a wide range. Whoa, look at that. Martin, careful. Oh, wow. There's a 500. Yes, there it is. We're gonna do this. He's dead. Rip. We did it! Wow, he's good. Martin is good. Wow, and then what? What do we do now?
Good.
We just
Thank
run?
you. Thank you.
GG, yeah?
Go. Excellent.
Help.
Good.
Thank you so much. Thanks. Yes.
You coming, Sakura?
Come on.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
Let's go.
Right. Here.
Oh.
Excellent.
Oh.
Did you find it?
Is this it?
Good.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we did it!
Yay!
Now I wonder
Cositas eaten.
if the normal world ever even existed.
You've probably seen
Things are
George,
that
yes? in your
strange.
character.
If I keep walking,
GG, Martin. Thank you so
can
much.
I awake from mystery?
Alright,
Okay.
that is it for us. That is it
Yep.
for us. I'm gonna go get some sleep, and I think even Sakura's gonna get some sleep.
Yes, because I gotta get up early.
I look forward to play this again with you guys next time.
Yes.
If you would like to play
Yes.
with us again next time, Martin, I'm gonna give you a link to my Discord if you want to join it. Hold on. Invite. Well, anybody can join this Discord. I'm gonna post it for everyone. So anybody who has Discord and wants to join, it's there. It's where we make plans for Resident Evil Outbreak. So you can join the Discord. We make plans. We play together, and I got a rank C. Wow, nice.
I
So,
got
yeah.
rank C too.
We'd love to have you with us next time as well. Next time we're going to be playing Hellfire if the game holds up, because sometimes Hellfire servers have a tendency of crashing for some reason. We're going to try Hellfire and then Decisions. We'd love to have you with us, but it's up to you.
Yeah,
Alright.
my first time playing. Yeah.
We did very well. 1,392. I'm going for, hold on, exit. I'm going to try to go for, let me save real quick.
I got 1,500 rank C.
Save any. Yeah, we'd love to have some explanation on Hellfire next time, though. Next time, has to be next
Yes.
time.
Okay.
Hellfire keeps crashing on us. We tried it, me and True must have tried about 5-6 times. It always crashes. And there's like this issue where it loses synchronization with other players. Like, I'm playing with Sakura, we're in the same room, she can't see me and I can't see her, for instance. Like, what's going on? Or I can see her, but she cannot see me. Like, I'm in front of you. Or all of a sudden, I remember True, he passes out, he dies. Pfft, like, what just happened? Anyway, I'm gonna disconnect. I'm gonna check how many points I have. How many points I have total. If you know about it, it's easy to avoid. It's a glitch that makes it crash. Oh, interesting. It's a certain room where you can't ad-lib. That's very interesting. All right, yeah, we ad-lib a lot, me and True, so maybe that's why I kept causing it.
It's a certain room where you can ad lib. Okay.
Interesting. Interesting.
Okay.
Yeah, I would love to have you with us next time.
Yes.
Anyway.
I would love.
Thank you, McKnight, for playing with us. Thank you, Martin, and thank you, Sakura.
Thank you, everybody.
For everyone watching the stream. It was fantastic.
Yeah.
You guys make it interesting.
Yeah.
Not
and
me.
I really enjoy playing with you guys. I mean, my first time playing this game, and it took me 24 hours to set it up.
I'm gonna check quickly how much points I managed to collect real quick. I'm trying to aim for 50,000. If I get 50,000, we unlock unlimited ammo.
Oh.
I'm at 38,000. Still a long way to go.
Oh, man,
38,000.
I'm a newbie, so it's gonna take a long way.
I need more reward points. I need more reward points.
I mean, does it save? Does it save if let's say if I start a new
It
game?
asks you if you want to save before you leave. It asks you once you die. It tells you want to save.
Oh, I saved it. Yeah, I saved it. I will save it.
I'm still a long way from 50,000. But once I do, we'll have infinite ammo. We can play the game with infinite ammo. All right.
Yeah, because I'm a newbie.
Yeah, you are. But maybe you can play some single player and you can practice the controls so you can get used to how the game is played. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I will see you next time.
Next time.
Next time we do very hard. Yeah, right. Look what Martin says. Next time we do very hard. Yeah, right. No, let's give Sakura a break. Amy wouldn't mind
I'm
going.
a noob.
Amy wouldn't mind going for very hard. But
yeah, I'm a newbie, so I gotta get used to the controls. So
yeah,
so I'm used to the PS4 and controls and the other games. So like game transition for me, it sucks.
It's
so
true.
For me, game transition is hard.
The transition from one game, even from RE5 to RE4, sometimes I have a hard time getting used to the controls. Anyway, thank you so much, and I will see you next time.
Later.
Bye. Ciao.